If you like the space and learn about its curiosities, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the video. The universe, vast and mysterious, has always captivated the human imagination. From the fiery birth of stars to the silent dance of black holes, the cosmos tells a story that spans billions of years. But one question looms large. How will it all end? This is not a tale of apocalyptic destruction, but a journey through the possibilities of cosmic destiny. Each theory as fascinating and thought-provoking as the stars themselves. The universe is expanding. This simple fact, discovered in the early 20th century, changed everything we thought we knew about our cosmic home. Galaxies, once thought to be relatively stationary, are hurtling away from one another at tremendous speeds. What's more, this expansion is accelerating, driven by a mysterious force we call dark energy. The implications of this acceleration lead to one of the most discussed theories about the universe's end, the Big Freeze. Imagine the cosmos millions, billions, or even trillions of years from now. The galaxies will have moved so far apart that they will no longer be visible to one another. Stars will exhaust their nuclear fuel, becoming dim white dwarfs, neutron stars, or black holes. New stars will form less frequently, and eventually, there will be none. The universe will grow colder, darker, and quieter, a vast expanse of space dominated by inert matter and the faint whispers of decaying particles. Yet, the Big Freeze is not the only possibility. What if the universe's expansion doesn't continue indefinitely? The Big Crunch offers a starkly different scenario. In this vision, dark energy might one day reverse its effects, causing the expansion to slow, stop, and ultimately reverse. Galaxies would rush back toward one another, colliding and merging into a superheated cosmic soup. This process could culminate in a singularity, a point of infinite density and heat, similar to the conditions that may have existed at the universe's birth. From this chaos, a new cycle might emerge, another Big Bang, giving birth to a brand new universe. But there's a third theory that's far more unsettling, the Big Rip. Here, dark energy doesn't just continue driving the universe's expansion, it grows stronger. Galaxies, stars, planets, and even atoms would be torn apart by the relentless stretching of space itself. In this apocalyptic vision, everything ends, not with a bang or a whimper, but with the fabric of reality unraveling completely. These theories, while captivating, rest on our current understanding of physics, which may itself be incomplete. Consider the concept of quantum fluctuations, tiny, temporary changes in energy that occur at the smallest scales. Could they spawn a bubble of new space-time, a phenomenon some physicists call vacuum decay? In this scenario, a new universe could emerge, replacing our own in an instant, imperceptibly and inexorably. Then, there's the enigma of black holes. These cosmic titans, born from the collapse of massive stars, could play a role in the universe's final act. Over unimaginably long timescales, black holes themselves may evaporate through a process called Hawking radiation, leaving behind only faint remnants. Yet, in some speculative theories, black holes could be gateways to other dimensions, or even seeds for future universes. What lies beyond these theories? The nature of the universe's end might hinge on questions we have yet to answer. What is the true nature of dark energy? Will the laws of physics remain constant forever? Are we part of a multiverse, where countless other universes with different rules and outcomes coexist? Each answer could rewrite the script of cosmic destiny. As we ponder these possibilities, one thing becomes clear. The universe's end, whenever and however it occurs, is not just an ending. It's a transformation, a gateway to new realities, perhaps even new beginnings. Just as the stars we see today were born from the remnants of ancient explosions, the end of our cosmos may sow the seeds for something unimaginable. So, as we gaze at the night sky, remember that each star tells a story not just of its own life and death, but of the universe itself. The final chapter of that story may still be unwritten, waiting for the curious minds of humanity to uncover its secrets. Until then, the cosmos invites us to wonder, to explore, and to dream of endings that are not just conclusions but preludes to the infinite. But the story of the universe's fate grows even more intricate when we consider time itself. The concept of time, so deeply ingrained in our understanding of existence, may not be eternal. In some scenarios, time as we know it could cease to exist, folding in on itself or dissipating like a fading echo. Physicists speculate that in an ultimate, far-future state called heat death, where entropy reaches its maximum, the passage of time could become meaningless. With no gradients of energy to drive change, the universe might become a static, unchanging void, a kind of eternal stillness. Yet, even in this quiet desolation, some theorists propose that quantum processes could spark new beginnings. In the fabric of space-time, even the tiniest disturbances might eventually give rise to a fresh burst of energy, a new Big Bang, or perhaps even a completely novel set of physical laws. The cyclic model of the universe suggests that this could be a never-ending process of death and rebirth, a cosmic phoenix endlessly regenerating from its own ashes. The concept of the multiverse adds another layer of complexity. What if our universe is just one bubble in a vast, frothy sea of universes? Each bubble could have its own rules, dimensions, and life cycles. If this is true, the end of our universe might be no more consequential to the multiverse than a single wave crashing on a shore is to the ocean. Other universes could continue to thrive, collide, or birth new realities, perpetuating an infinite tapestry of existence. As we explore these ideas, the role of humanity feels both immense and minuscule. On the one hand, our existence is fleeting, a mere blip on the cosmic timeline. On the other, we are the only known beings capable of contemplating the universe's fate. Our understanding of the cosmos has grown exponentially, from ancient stargazers charting the movements of the heavens to modern astrophysicists probing the boundaries of time and space. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the ultimate destiny of all things. But will humanity witness the end of the universe? The timescales involved are staggering. The stars will shine for billions of years more, and even the death of the last black hole lies far beyond our comprehension. And yet, our curiosity compels us to imagine, to theorize, and to strive for answers. It's a reminder that, while we may never see the final act, our quest to understand it is part of a larger story, the story of intelligence striving to grasp the infinite. The ending of the universe, as inevitable as it seems, may not be an endpoint for life, intelligence, or consciousness. Advanced civilizations, if they exist or arise in the future, might find ways to transcend the limitations of their universe. Some scientists speculate about the possibility of escaping to other dimensions, harnessing the energy of collapsing stars, or even manipulating the laws of physics to ensure survival beyond the universe's demise. These are not just speculative musings, but reflections of the boundless creativity of the human mind. As we build telescopes that peer deeper into space and instruments that probe the nature of reality itself, we edge closer to answers. Each new piece of knowledge, whether it's a glimpse into the early moments after the Big Bang or the detection of a far-off exoplanet, adds a brushstroke to the grand portrait of the cosmos. And as we ponder the end, we also celebrate the now. The universe, in all its vastness, is alive with wonders. From the majestic spiral of the Milky Way to the eerie glow of distant nebulae, every corner of space offers a reminder of how extraordinary existence is. The universe is not just a stage for its eventual conclusion, but a vibrant, dynamic masterpiece unfolding in real time. Perhaps that is the ultimate lesson of contemplating the end of the universe. It reminds us of the impermanence of all things and, at the same time, the beauty of their fleeting presence. It encourages us to marvel at the cosmic dance, even as we acknowledge its final curtain. For in the end, the story of the universe is not just about how it will cease to be. It's about how it has inspired us to dream, to question, and to embrace the profound mystery of existence itself. Even as we speculate about the universe's end, we must consider its beginnings, for the two are deeply intertwined. The Big Bang, the moment when time and space as we know them came into existence, set the stage for every atom, every galaxy, and every thought. Yet the Big Bang itself is shrouded in mystery. Was it truly the beginning, or just a transition from one state of existence to another? If the universe can have multiple ends, could it also have had multiple starts? Some scientists suggest that the Big Bang was not a singular event, but part of a grander cosmic cycle. In these models, the universe could oscillate between periods of expansion and contraction, with each cycle representing a reset of time and space. This cyclic universe theory challenges the notion of a definitive end or beginning. Instead, it paints a picture of an eternal cosmic rhythm, where creation and destruction are two sides of the same coin. But what if the universe didn't begin at all? What if it has always existed in some form, beyond the constraints of human understanding? Such ideas push the boundaries of science and philosophy, questioning the very fabric of causality. They force us to rethink our place in a cosmos that may have no ultimate origin or destination. In the midst of these grand ideas, we confront the limits of our perception. The observable universe, the part we can see and measure, is but a fraction of the whole. Beyond the cosmic horizon lies the unknown, regions of space so distant that their light will never reach us. What secrets do they hold? Could they offer clues about the fate of all existence, or are they forever out of reach? As we probe these distant realms, the tools at our disposal become increasingly powerful. The James Webb Space Telescope, for instance, has begun to reveal glimpses of the universe as it was billions of years ago. Future missions may uncover even more, perhaps detecting the faint echoes of the universe's earliest moments or mapping the distribution of dark matter and dark energy with unprecedented precision. Each discovery adds a layer of complexity to our understanding of the cosmos. For example, recent observations suggest that the universe's rate of expansion, known as the Hubble constant, might not be consistent across time and space. This discrepancy, often referred to as the Hubble tension, has sparked debates and opened the door to new theories about the nature of dark energy, the shape of the cosmos, and its ultimate destiny. Yet, for all our technological advances, some questions may remain forever unanswered. The universe operates on scales of time and space so vast that they dwarf human comprehension. Our species, bound by the limitations of biology and culture, may be incapable of grasping the full scope of cosmic truth. And yet, this limitation is not a defeat. It is a call to action, a reminder of the boundless potential of curiosity. Imagine a future where humanity extends its reach into the stars. What might we learn by living among the galaxies, by observing the cosmos from vantage points beyond Earth? Could such a future bring us closer to understanding the universe's fate, or would it reveal only more layers of mystery? The thought is both humbling and exhilarating. Even as we explore outward, we are reminded that some of the universe's greatest secrets lie within. The very particles that make up our bodies, protons, neutrons, and electrons, carry the echoes of ancient stars. By understanding the quantum mechanics that govern these particles, we gain insight into the forces shaping the cosmos on the grandest scales. This duality of the infinitely small and the unimaginably large underscores the beauty of the universe. It is a place where the laws of physics connect the most distant galaxies to the very atoms in our skin. It is a realm where time flows in one direction, yet we can look into the night sky and see the past as clearly as we see the present. And so, the question of how the universe will end becomes not just a scientific inquiry, but a deeply personal one. It speaks to our desire to find meaning in a cosmos that often seems indifferent. It challenges us to confront the fleeting nature of existence while celebrating the profound privilege of being part of something so vast and timeless. Ultimately, the universe's fate, whether it ends in a big freeze, a big crunch, a big rip, or something entirely unknown, serves as a mirror for our own journey. It reminds us that every ending is part of a larger story, and that the act of questioning, exploring, and imagining is as infinite as the cosmos itself. In that sense, the universe will never truly end, for its legacy will live on in the minds and hearts of those who dared to dream among the stars. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, we find that its story is not just about science, but also about philosophy, art, and humanity's collective imagination. The question of the universe's end connects us to some of the oldest questions our ancestors asked while gazing at the night sky. What is our place in this vast expanse? Are we fleeting observers of an indifferent cosmos? Or do we play a meaningful role in its grand narrative? These questions are not easily answered, but they inspire us to keep searching. The more we understand the cosmos, the more profound its mysteries become. For instance, the concept of entropy, the measure of disorder in a system, plays a crucial role in our theories about the universe's end. But what if entropy itself can be reversed or circumvented in ways we do not yet comprehend? Could the universe have mechanisms for renewal hidden in its fundamental laws? Speculative ideas such as the simulation hypothesis add another layer to this discussion. What if the universe itself is a kind of grand experiment, a simulation created by an advanced intelligence? In such a scenario, the end of the universe might not be a physical event, but a decision made by its creators to turn off the simulation or start a new one. While this idea may seem far-fetched, it highlights the limits of our understanding and the need to remain open to possibilities that challenge our current frameworks. As we contemplate these far-reaching ideas, it's worth reflecting on the role of creativity and storytelling in shaping our view of the cosmos. From ancient myths about the creation and destruction of the world to modern science fiction exploring the fate of civilizations, humanity has always sought to frame the universe's story in ways that resonate with our experiences. These narratives serve not only as entertainment, but also as tools for exploring the unknown, for imagining futures that go beyond the constraints of our present reality. Even within the realm of hard science, the lines between imagination and observation blur. Theoretical physicists, for example, often work at the edge of what can be tested or proven, crafting mathematical models that may one day be validated or disproven by evidence. These models, whether they describe the multiverse, cosmic strings, or other exotic phenomena, are products of human ingenuity as much as they are reflections of the universe itself. Looking ahead, humanity's role in this story will likely depend on our ability to adapt, to innovate, and to cooperate. The challenges we face on Earth, climate change, resource scarcity, social inequality, mirror the cosmic challenges that await us as we venture further into space. By addressing these issues, we not only ensure our survival, but also position ourselves to become true stewards of the cosmos. This stewardship extends beyond mere survival. As we develop technologies capable of altering planets, harvesting energy from stars, or even shaping space-time itself, we take on a responsibility to use this power wisely. The universe's end, distant as it may be, reminds us that our actions matter. The choices we make today, as individuals and as a species, could ripple outward, influencing the course of cosmic history in ways we cannot yet imagine. The story of the universe is a story about change. From the first moments of the Big Bang to the potential collapse or infinite expansion of space-time, change is the one constant. It is a reminder that endings are not to be feared but embraced as part of a larger process. Just as stars die to create the elements that give rise to life, so too might the universe's end pave the way for something even more extraordinary. And so, as we stand at the edge of understanding, we are left with a profound sense of wonder. The universe is not just a collection of stars and galaxies. It is a living tapestry, woven from the threads of time, space, and imagination. Its end, whenever and however it comes, will be as much a beginning as a conclusion, a testament to the infinite possibilities that lie at the heart of existence. Until that distant moment, we continue to gaze at the stars, to ask questions, and to dream of what lies beyond. For in the act of wondering, we become part of the universe's story, a fleeting but meaningful chapter in the greatest tale ever told. As we ponder the future of the universe and our role within it, we are reminded of the delicate interplay between knowledge and mystery. Every answer we uncover about the cosmos seems to raise a dozen new questions, a testament to the boundless complexity of existence. This endless quest for understanding not only defines science, but also captures the essence of what it means to be human. One of the most profound aspects of contemplating the universe's end is how it forces us to confront the concept of permanence. or the lack thereof. Stars die, galaxies fade, even black holes evaporate. Yet the patterns and principles governing these transformations endure. It raises the tantalizing question: could the universe itself be a temporary construct within a larger framework of reality? If so, what lies beyond? Some physicists propose that the end of our universe might mark a transition into a higher dimensional existence, a realm where the rules of space and time, as we know them, no longer apply. This idea is rooted in string theory, which suggests that our universe is just one of many brains floating in a higher dimensional space. Collisions between these brains could trigger phenomena like the Big Bang, implying that our universe's end might simply be another beginning in an endless cycle of creation and destruction across multiple dimensions. Meanwhile, the study of time itself offers tantalizing clues about the universe's ultimate fate. What if time is not linear but cyclical, or even an illusion created by the human mind? In such a scenario, the end of the universe might be less an event and more a shift in perception, a change in the way reality is experienced. These ideas challenge not only our understanding of physics, but also our most basic assumptions about existence. Even as we speculate about the cosmic endgame, we must also consider the possibility of intervention. Advanced civilizations, if they exist, might one day develop technologies capable of influencing the fate of the universe. Could they harness the energy of collapsing stars to delay entropy? Could they escape to other universes through wormholes, or manipulate dark energy to halt the expansion of space? These possibilities, while speculative, highlight the potential for intelligence to play an active role in shaping cosmic history. For humanity, the path forward is clear: to survive, to explore, and to innovate. Our efforts to understand the universe are not just academic. They are a matter of survival. By reaching for the stars, we ensure that our story continues, even as the cosmos evolves around us. This drive to push boundaries, to seek the unknown, is what has brought us from the first primitive tools to the brink of interstellar exploration. As we journey outward, the universe itself becomes a canvas for human creativity. Imagine a future where we build cities on distant planets, terraform worlds to sustain life, or even create artificial stars. Such feats may seem like science fiction, but they are grounded in the same spirit of ingenuity that took us to the moon and beyond. In this future, humanity becomes not just an observer of the cosmos, but an active participant in its story. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. Our exploration of the universe must be guided by a sense of awe and respect for the vast, interconnected systems that make up the cosmos. The same curiosity that drives us to understand the universe's end must also inspire us to preserve its beauty and mystery for future generations. As we gaze ahead, it's worth considering the legacy we will leave behind. The universe may one day fade, but the impact of intelligent life, its discoveries, its creations, its aspirations, could echo across time. Perhaps the ultimate meaning of the universe lies not in how it ends, but in how it has inspired those who inhabit it to strive for greatness, to seek connection, and to ponder the infinite. In the grand scheme of things, our lives are fleeting, yet in our capacity to dream and explore, we touch something eternal. We are stardust, formed in the hearts of ancient suns, and through our curiosity, we honor the legacy of the cosmos that gave us life. The end of the universe, distant and unknowable, reminds us to cherish the present, to marvel at the stars, and to embrace the journey. For in every question we ask, in every star we chart, and in every wonder we hold close, we become part of a story far greater than ourselves, a story that spans not just the vastness of space, but the boundless depths of imagination and discovery. And as long as there are minds to wonder, the universe's tale will never truly end. This endless interplay between discovery and mystery ensures that the story of the universe is as much about us as it is about the cosmos itself. Each question we ask about the stars and their fate reflects a deeper question about our own existence. Are we here to merely witness the universe, or are we destined to shape it? Is our journey through the cosmos a fleeting moment, or is it the beginning of a long, transformative relationship with the very fabric of space and time? In contemplating the universe's future, we are also reminded of its present richness. The galaxies that fill the night sky are not static. They are dynamic, evolving entities teeming with activity. Stars are born in glowing nebulae, planets form in swirling disks of dust, and black holes merge in cataclysmic events that ripple through space-time. These processes, though imperceptibly slow to human eyes, are the heartbeat of a cosmos that is alive with energy and change. Even as we marvel at this present, the enormity of time forces us to confront what comes next. The stars we see today will not shine forever. But just as the death of one star can seed the birth of another, the universe's apparent finality may conceal a deeper cycle of renewal. Some scientists hypothesize that even in the farthest future, when the last black holes have evaporated and the universe is cold and dark, quantum processes might create fluctuations that spark entirely new universes. This concept, known as quantum genesis, suggests that the end of one cosmos could ignite the dawn of another. If this is true, the universe's story may be eternal, its chapters unfolding in ways that defy human comprehension. It raises profound philosophical questions. If new universes can arise from the remnants of old ones, is there truly an end, or does existence itself persist forever in an infinite chain of transformations? And if such cycles are real, what role, if any, does intelligence play in them? The possibility that life, and even consciousness, could endure beyond the apparent end of the universe is one of the most provocative ideas in modern cosmology. Some theories suggest that advanced civilizations might find ways to preserve themselves even in a dying cosmos. Perhaps they could encode their knowledge and experiences in the very structure of space-time, creating a kind of cosmic memory that transcends physical decay. In this way, the legacy of life and thought could live on, shaping the destiny of future universes. On a more immediate scale, these ideas challenge humanity to think beyond the limitations of our current era. As we look to the stars, we must also look inward, asking what kind of species we want to become. Will we rise to the challenge of exploration and stewardship, or will we allow ourselves to be consumed by short-term concerns? The universe's timeline dwarfs our own, but the choices we make now could echo across vast stretches of time. These choices are not just about survival, but about meaning. By striving to understand the cosmos, we give purpose to our brief existence. Every equation we solve, every distant galaxy we map, every story we tell about the universe enriches our collective legacy. It is through this act of discovery that we become more than mere spectators. We become participants in the grand narrative of existence. As we imagine the distant future, we must also remember that the universe's end, whenever it comes, does not diminish its current splendor. The stars that illuminate our night skies, the planets that orbit them, and the mysteries that lie beyond our reach are gifts of the present. They remind us to celebrate the wonder of existence, even as we prepare for the unknown. The universe's story is a reflection of our own. It is a tale of beginnings and endings, of creation and destruction, of discovery and mystery. It is a story that challenges us to look beyond the horizons of our understanding, to embrace the infinite, and to find beauty in the fleeting. For as long as there are minds to wonder and hearts to dream, the universe's tale will continue, not just in the stars above, but in the boundless imagination of those who dare to ask, what comes next? What comes next? This simple question lies at the heart of humanity's journey into the cosmos. It drives our curiosity, fuels our scientific endeavors, and stirs the imagination to envision futures as boundless as the universe itself. While we may not have definitive answers about the ultimate fate of the cosmos, it is the act of questioning and exploring that defines our existence. The next chapter in our cosmic story may begin right here on Earth. With the development of advanced technologies, humanity is entering an age where we can observe the universe with unprecedented clarity. Instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope allow us to peer back in time, studying the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. Upcoming missions, such as those that will map the universe's dark matter and energy distribution, may provide critical insights into the forces that will shape its future. As our understanding deepens, so does our responsibility. humanity stands at a crossroads. We are no longer confined to observing the universe passively. We are beginning to interact with it in ways that could have lasting consequences. The colonization of other planets, the mining of asteroids, and the manipulation of planetary environments are no longer the domain of science fiction. These actions, while necessary for our survival and progress, come with ethical considerations. How do we balance exploration with preservation? What obligations do we have to the environments we encounter? And how will our choices affect the universe's story? This dual role of explorers and caretakers extends beyond immediate concerns. As we venture into the cosmos, we must also grapple with deeper philosophical questions about our place in the grand scheme of existence. Are we simply a product of the universe? Or do we have a purpose within it? Does our intelligence grant us a unique role in shaping its future? Or are we merely witnesses to its inevitable evolution? One of the most inspiring possibilities is that humanity could one day contribute to the universe's survival, or even its renewal. Theoretical physicists have proposed that sufficiently advanced civilizations might engineer solutions to cosmic-scale problems. For example, harnessing the energy of black holes or manipulating dark energy could allow intelligent beings to delay the universe's end or create stable environments for life in otherwise inhospitable conditions. While these ideas remain speculative, they remind us of the power of imagination and the potential of innovation. But the scope of our impact is not limited to physical survival. As we explore the stars, we also carry with us the intangible, the knowledge, culture, and stories that define who we are. These intangible legacies may one day become our most enduring contribution to the cosmos. Even if the universe as we know it comes to an end, the ideas and memories we leave behind could influence whatever comes next, providing a link between the present and the infinite possibilities of the future. The connection between the finite and the infinite is perhaps the most profound aspect of contemplating the universe's end. It reminds us that while the cosmos operates on scales far beyond human comprehension, it is also deeply personal. The same laws of physics that govern the motion of galaxies dictate the chemistry of life. The same particles that form distant stars are found in our bodies. In this way, we are not separate from the universe, but an integral part of it. This perspective encourages us to live with a sense of wonder and purpose. Every moment we spend gazing at the stars, every question we ask about the cosmos, and every discovery we make is a celebration of our connection to the infinite. It is a reminder that, despite our smallness, we are participants in a story that transcends time and space. The story of the universe will continue, whether we are here to witness it or not. But by striving to understand it, we become part of its narrative. In our quest to uncover the mysteries of existence, we give meaning to our fleeting lives. We transform the cold, indifferent vastness of space into something profound, a reflection of our curiosity, our resilience, and our dreams. And so, as we look to the future, let us embrace the unknown with courage and humility. Let us continue to ask, to explore, and to imagine. For the universe's story is not just about its beginning or its end. It is about the journey. It is about the questions that inspire us, the discoveries that shape us, and the boundless horizons that call us to venture ever further into the stars. As we venture further into the stars, the universe's journey becomes increasingly intertwined with our own. The act of exploration is not simply about charting new territories or uncovering cosmic phenomena. It is also a profound reflection of our deepest aspirations as a species. Through the lens of the universe, we confront questions of identity, purpose, and destiny, questions that have defined humanity since its inception. The boundless horizons of space offer more than just physical challenges. They invite us to reimagine what is possible. To travel among the stars requires breakthroughs, not only in science and technology, but also in the way we think about collaboration, persistence, and innovation. These endeavors push the boundaries of our potential, showing us that even the most audacious dreams can be within reach when fueled by curiosity and determination. As we progress, the universe ceases to be merely a backdrop for our existence and transforms into an active participant in our story. Every new planet we discover, every galaxy we map, every black hole we observe brings us closer to understanding the nature of existence. These discoveries deepen our appreciation of the intricate tapestry that is the cosmos, a tapestry woven from the threads of physics, chemistry, biology, and consciousness. The beauty of this journey lies in its open-endedness. Each answer we uncover generates more questions. Each milestone we achieve reveals new frontiers. This cycle of discovery mirrors the processes of the universe itself, dynamic, ever-evolving, and endlessly creative. It is a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge is not about reaching a final destination, but about embracing the infinite possibilities that lie along the way. As we contemplate the universe's fate, we are drawn to the ultimate question: what is our role in this vast cosmic drama? Are we merely observers of the universe's unfolding story, or are we agents of change within it? This question challenges us to think not just about survival, but about stewardship. What does it mean to be responsible for the future of the cosmos? How can we honor the legacy of the stars that gave us life? One possibility is that humanity, or other intelligent civilizations, might one day play a role in shaping the universe's long-term destiny. While this may sound like the stuff of science fiction, some theories suggest that advanced beings could influence cosmic events on an unprecedented scale. From preserving energy resources to creating artificial stars, the future of intelligence in the universe could hinge on our ability to understand and manipulate the fundamental forces of nature. But even if our influence is limited, our presence in the universe is meaningful. The very act of contemplating the cosmos is an affirmation of the universe's capacity for self-awareness. Through us, the stars and galaxies gain a voice, a perspective, a story. Our existence transforms the universe from a collection of physical processes into a narrative filled with wonder, curiosity, and purpose. This narrative is one of interconnectedness. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient stars, and the light that reaches our eyes from distant galaxies is a message from billions of years ago. Every element of our being is tied to the cosmos, and every discovery we make connects us more deeply to the universe's vast, intricate web of existence. As we move forward, this sense of connection can guide our actions. It can inspire us to approach the universe not as a resource to exploit, but as a partner in a shared journey. It can encourage us to balance exploration with preservation, innovation with humility, and ambition with reflection. By doing so, we ensure that our presence in the cosmos is not one of fleeting impact, but of lasting contribution. In this light, the end of the universe, whatever form it takes, becomes less a cause for despair and more a catalyst for inspiration. It reminds us of the preciousness of the present moment, the significance of every choice we make, and the enduring power of curiosity. It challenges us to think beyond the limitations of our time and to envision a future where the story of the universe continues, enriched by the legacy of intelligent life. And so, as we gaze into the night sky, let us see not just the stars but the infinite potential they represent. Let us embrace the mystery of the unknown, not as something to fear, but as a source of endless discovery. For in the vastness of the cosmos, we find not just questions about the universe's end, but profound truths about our own beginnings, our shared journey, and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. The universe's fate is not just about how it will conclude, but about how it has inspired us to dream, to explore, and to create meaning in the face of the infinite. Its story is our story, and as long as we continue to seek, to wonder, and to strive, that story will never truly end. It will echo through time, carried by the voices of those who dared to look up and ask, what lies beyond? What lies beyond? This question, as simple as it seems, is the spark that has driven humanity's most profound achievements. It is the reason we look to the stars in the first place, the force that compels us to probe the unknown depths of the universe. And while the answers remain elusive, the act of searching is itself transformative. To ask what lies beyond is to embrace the infinite, to accept that we are part of a story so vast that it defies comprehension, and yet one in which our role is undeniably significant. As we consider what might come after the universe's end, we are confronted with the idea that endings are not truly final. Just as the death of a star gives rise to new elements that form planets, life, and even consciousness, so too might the universe's end seed something unimaginable. The concept of renewal is embedded in the fabric of the cosmos, from the cycles of matter and energy to the very principles of physics that allow creation to arise from chaos. One compelling idea is that the universe's end could be a doorway to another dimension or a completely different state of existence. Some theories suggest that the collapse of space-time, or its infinite expansion, could lead to the birth of a new universe with different physical laws. This scenario aligns with the multiverse hypothesis, which posits that our universe is just one of countless others, each with its own unique properties. If true, the universe's story is not singular, but part of an endless symphony of creation and transformation. But what if the end of the universe is not an external event, but a transition in perception? Some physicists speculate that the fundamental nature of reality might change as entropy approaches its maximum. In a state of heat death, where all processes cease and the universe reaches thermodynamic equilibrium, the very concept of time might dissolve. Without change or motion, the distinction between past, present, and future could blur, creating a timeless state that defies our current understanding of existence. These possibilities, while speculative, highlight the limits of human imagination. Our understanding of the cosmos is shaped by the tools and concepts available to us, and it is likely that many aspects of the universe's end remain beyond our grasp. Yet this uncertainty is not a limitation. It is an invitation. It reminds us that the universe's greatest mysteries are not just challenges to be solved, but opportunities to expand our perspective, to think beyond the boundaries of what we know. This journey of discovery is not just about the distant future, but about the choices we make in the present. The universe, vast and indifferent though it may seem, has given rise to beings capable of understanding it. This fact alone is extraordinary. It suggests that intelligence, creativity, and wonder are as much a part of the cosmos as the stars and galaxies. By nurturing these qualities, we honor our connection to the universe and ensure that our legacy endures. Imagine a future where humanity transcends its current limitations, where we become a spacefaring civilization capable of exploring the farthest reaches of the cosmos. In this future, we might encounter other intelligent beings, each with their own stories, perspectives, and questions about the universe's fate. Such encounters would not only enrich our understanding, but also deepen our sense of connection to a universe that is as diverse as it is vast. Even if we remain alone in the cosmos, our journey is no less meaningful. By exploring the universe, we gain insight into ourselves. The stars remind us of our origins, the vastness of space humbles us, and the mysteries of the cosmos inspire us to dream. In this way, the universe's story becomes a mirror for our own, a reflection of our hopes, fears, and aspirations. As we look to the far future, we are reminded that the universe's end, whenever it comes, is just one chapter in a larger story. Whether it ends in a big freeze, a big crunch, or something entirely unexpected, the journey will continue. Through the knowledge we pass on, the discoveries we make, and the questions we inspire future generations to ask. The universe's fate is not about its conclusion, but about the meaning we create along the way. It is a story of transformation, connection, and the infinite potential of curiosity. And as long as there are minds to wonder and hearts to dream, that story will endure, carried forward by those who dare to ask. What lies beyond the horizon of the known? What comes after the stars fade, after the galaxies drift apart, after the universe as we know it ceases to be? The answer may forever elude us, but in the asking, in the seeking, we affirm our place in the cosmos. For to question the universe's end is to celebrate its existence, and our own. It is to recognize that we are not separate from the cosmos, but an integral part of its vast, unfolding mystery. And in that recognition, we find not just knowledge, but meaning, purpose, and a profound sense of belonging to something infinite. Belonging to something infinite transforms the way we perceive ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It elevates our existence from mere survival to participation in a grand, unfolding story that spans time and space. This perspective instills a sense of awe and responsibility, a realization that, fleeting as we are, our actions and discoveries ripple outward, becoming threads in the intricate tapestry of the universe. In the vastness of the cosmos, every question we ask and every answer we find carries the potential to deepen this connection. What started as curiosity about the stars has grown into a profound exploration of life's most fundamental mysteries. Through this journey, we are reminded that the universe is not static. It is alive with motion, transformation, and possibility. And while we may never fully understand its final destiny, our efforts to comprehend it bind us more closely to its ever-evolving narrative. One of the most profound insights of modern cosmology is that the universe is not separate from us. It is within us. The elements that compose our bodies, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, were forged in the hearts of ancient stars that lived and died billions of years ago. This cosmic heritage connects us to the life cycle of the universe in a tangible, intimate way. Every heartbeat, every breath, is a continuation of the processes that began with the birth of the first stars. To understand the cosmos is, in many ways, to understand ourselves. This realization reshapes our view of the universe's end. If the cosmos is not an abstract entity, but a living, dynamic system of which we are a part, then its fate is intertwined with our own. Whether we face a big freeze, a big crunch, or the enigmatic Big Rip, the universe's story will always include the chapter where intelligent life emerged to ponder its vastness. Our role may be small in the grand scheme, but it is essential, a moment of awareness in an otherwise indifferent expanse. This awareness calls us to act. It reminds us that our existence, brief as it may be, has purpose. By exploring the universe, we honor its complexity and beauty. By seeking answers, we contribute to the collective knowledge of a cosmos that has, against all odds, given rise to beings capable of asking the ultimate questions. And by dreaming of the future, we ensure that the legacy of curiosity, creativity, and connection will endure long after we are gone. As we look ahead, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. Humanity's journey into the cosmos is still in its infancy. We have sent probes to the outer reaches of our solar system, landed on the moon, and glimpsed the surfaces of distant planets. But these achievements are just the beginning. The next chapters of this journey could include interstellar travel, the discovery of extraterrestrial life, or the creation of sustainable civilizations on other worlds. Each of these milestones brings us closer to understanding the universe's ultimate fate. As we expand our horizons, we gain new perspectives on the forces that shape the cosmos. We learn more about dark matter and dark energy, the enigmatic components that govern the universe's structure and evolution. We uncover the secrets of black holes, neutron stars, and other extreme phenomena that challenge the boundaries of physics. And we deepen our understanding of time, space, and existence itself. This knowledge does not just illuminate the universe's past and future, it transforms the present. It inspires us to look beyond the confines of our immediate concerns and embrace a broader view of our place in the cosmos. It reminds us that, for all our struggles and divisions, we are united by our shared origins and our collective destiny as inhabitants of the same universe. In this way, the universe's story becomes a source of hope. Even as we contemplate its eventual end, we are reminded of its incredible capacity for creation, renewal, and transformation. The stars that shine in the night sky, the galaxies that stretch across the void, the planets that harbor the potential for life, all are evidence of a cosmos that is dynamic, resilient, and endlessly surprising. And so, as we gaze into the future, let us carry this hope with us. Let us approach the universe not with fear of its end, but with gratitude for its existence. Let us celebrate the journey, with all its mysteries, challenges, and discoveries. For in this journey, we find not just the story of the cosmos, but the story of ourselves, an extraordinary chapter in an extraordinary tale. The universe may one day fade into darkness, but as long as there are beings to wonder at its majesty, its story will endure. It will live on in the questions we ask, the answers we seek, and the dreams we pass on to those who come after us. It will remind us that, in the face of the infinite, we are not small but deeply connected to each other, to the cosmos, and to the timeless journey of existence itself. This timeless journey of existence is not merely a scientific endeavor or a philosophical musing. It is the foundation of what it means to be alive in a universe that is both vast and profoundly mysterious. Each moment we spend trying to understand the cosmos is a testament to our unique place within it. We are the eyes through which the universe observes itself, the mind through which it contemplates its own beginnings and its ultimate fate. As we push the boundaries of exploration, we also push the boundaries of what it means to exist. The discoveries we make are not just data points in the story of the cosmos. They are milestones in the evolution of thought, creativity, and purpose. When we unlock the secrets of a distant exoplanet, when we chart the collision of galaxies, or when we measure the faint whispers of gravitational waves, we are not merely observers. We are creators of meaning, crafting narratives that link the fabric of the universe to our own aspirations. The next steps in humanity's exploration of the universe hold extraordinary potential. We may one day build starships capable of crossing interstellar distances, carrying with them not just humans, but the legacy of life on Earth. These vessels could become arcs of culture and knowledge, spreading the essence of what it means to be human to the farthest reaches of space. They could serve as a testament to our resilience, our ingenuity, and our unyielding desire to connect with the unknown. As we reach out, we may find that we are not alone. The discovery of intelligent life elsewhere in the universe would be a moment of unparalleled significance, a confirmation that the cosmos has given rise to other beings who, like us, seek to understand their place in the grand scheme. Such an encounter would challenge us to rethink our assumptions about intelligence, culture, and the nature of existence itself. It would remind us that the story of the universe is not a solitary one, but a shared epic, written across countless worlds. Even if we remain the only conscious observers of the cosmos, our journey is no less profound. The act of exploration, whether it takes us to the surface of Mars or to the edge of a black hole, is a celebration of possibility. It is an affirmation that, in a universe governed by entropy and decay, life and intelligence have emerged to create, to question, and to dream. As the universe evolves, so too will our understanding of it. Theoretical breakthroughs may reveal dimensions of reality we cannot yet perceive. New technologies may allow us to manipulate the fundamental forces of nature, altering the trajectory of the cosmos in ways we can scarcely imagine. These possibilities, while speculative, highlight the incredible potential of intelligence to shape its environment, even on a cosmic scale. At the same time, the universe reminds us of the importance of humility. For all our advancements, we are still a young species, just beginning to understand the vastness of the cosmos. The stars we study, the galaxies we map, and the phenomena we seek to explain are far older and more complex than anything we have yet imagined. This perspective encourages us to approach our explorations with reverence, recognizing that the universe is not ours to conquer, but to learn from and cherish. The beauty of this journey lies in its infinite scope. The universe is a realm of unending discovery, where every question leads to new possibilities, and every mystery deepens our sense of wonder. Even as we ponder its end, we are reminded that the cosmos is, above all, a source of inspiration, a testament to the creativity, resilience, and interconnectedness that define existence. And so, we continue to look to the stars, to reach for the edges of the known, and to dream of what lies beyond. We do so not out of fear of the end, but out of a profound love for the journey. For in the act of exploring the universe, we find a reflection of ourselves, ever curious, ever striving, ever connected to something greater. The story of the universe is, ultimately, a story of transformation. It is a story of beginnings and endings, of creation and destruction, of questions that lead to even greater mysteries. It is a story that will continue to unfold, carried forward by the minds and hearts of those who dare to wonder. And in this journey, we are reminded of a simple truth. The universe, vast and infinite though it may be, is not separate from us. It is within us, around us, and beyond us, a constant companion on our shared path through the unknown. Its story is our story, and as long as there are beings to gaze at the stars, that story will never truly end. It will live on in the questions we ask, the dreams we chase, and the infinite possibilities we hold in our hearts. The infinite possibilities we hold in our hearts are what propel us forward in this grand cosmic narrative. They remind us that every step we take, every question we pose, is a thread in the fabric of the universe's unfolding story. Through our curiosity and creativity, we add depth and meaning to a cosmos that, on the surface, may appear cold and indifferent. But in our awareness, the universe becomes alive, a vast expanse filled with wonder, discovery, and potential. As we contemplate the distant future, we find ourselves drawn not just to what the universe might become, but to what we might become within it. The stars beckon us to evolve, not only technologically, but also as a civilization capable of thriving in harmony with the cosmos. This evolution demands that we balance our thirst for exploration with a deep respect for the universe and its mysteries. Part of this balance lies in the realization that, as finite beings, our connection to the infinite is what gives our lives purpose. The stars we see today will outlast us by billions of years, yet their light inspires us in ways that transcend time. This interplay between the fleeting and the eternal is a reflection of the universe itself, ever-changing, ever-enduring, and ever-inspiring. Imagine a future where humanity has not only mastered interstellar travel, but also unlocked the secrets of consciousness and existence. In such a future, we might transcend our biological limitations, becoming beings of pure thought or energy, capable of exploring the universe in ways we can scarcely imagine today. This leap would not just be a technological revolution, but a spiritual one, as we redefine what it means to be alive in a cosmos of infinite possibilities. Such speculation raises profound philosophical questions. If life can transcend the constraints of matter and energy, does it become something fundamentally different from what we understand today? And if the universe itself is an ever-changing entity, does it have its own form of consciousness or purpose, hidden within its intricate workings? While these questions remain unanswered, they illuminate the boundless nature of our journey. The act of asking them is itself a testament to the unique role of intelligence in the universe. Through our capacity to wonder, to imagine, and to create, we become participants in a story that is both deeply personal and universally shared. This story is not without its challenges. The universe is vast and often hostile, filled with phenomena that test the limits of our understanding and resilience. From the crushing gravity of black holes to the mysterious force of dark energy, the cosmos presents obstacles that seem insurmountable. Yet, it is in facing these challenges that we discover our greatest strengths. The same ingenuity that allowed us to map the stars and land on the moon will guide us through the trials of the future. The path ahead will require collaboration on an unprecedented scale. As we venture further into the universe, we must come together as a global community, united by a shared vision of exploration and discovery. The challenges of space, distance, isolation, and resource scarcity mirror the challenges we face on Earth. By solving them, we not only secure our place among the stars, but also learn to live more sustainably and harmoniously with one another. This unity is essential because the universe's story is not just about individual achievements, but about collective progress. Every discovery, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, is the result of generations of inquiry, creativity, and perseverance. It is a reminder that we are part of a continuum, a chain of curiosity that stretches from the earliest stargazers to the scientists, explorers, and dreamers of tomorrow. As we look to the farthest reaches of space, we are reminded that the universe's greatest gift is its capacity to inspire. It challenges us to think beyond our limitations, to dream beyond our horizons, and to strive for a future where we are not just inhabitants of a single planet, but true citizens of the cosmos. And so, the story of the universe continues, written in the light of distant stars and the aspirations of those who gaze at them. Its ending, if it ever comes, will not diminish the beauty of its journey. For the universe's true legacy lies not in how it concludes, but in the countless moments of wonder, discovery, and connection it inspires along the way. In this vast, infinite expanse, we find not just questions about the cosmos, but answers about ourselves. We learn that we are not separate from the universe, but an integral part of it. Stardust made conscious, seeking to understand its origins and destiny. And in that understanding, we find the profound truth that the universe's story is, in every sense, our own. As long as there are minds to wonder and hearts to dream, the journey will never end. It will continue in the questions we ask, the discoveries we make, and the dreams we pass on to those who follow. For in the face of infinity, we find our greatest purpose: to explore, to create, and to cherish the extraordinary gift of existence. To cherish the extraordinary gift of existence is to recognize the profound interconnectedness of everything in the cosmos. Each particle, each star, each galaxy plays a role in a symphony of creation and transformation that stretches across eons. We are not mere spectators of this symphony. We are its living notes, harmonizing with the universe through our thoughts, actions, and aspirations. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, we also explore the depths of our own potential. What began as a species looking to the skies in awe has grown into a civilization capable of unraveling the secrets of black holes, decoding the language of DNA, and imagining futures beyond our planet. This progress is not just a testament to our intelligence, but also to our relentless desire to connect to the universe, to one another, and to the infinite. This connection takes many forms. Scientifically, it manifests in the tools we create to observe the cosmos, from powerful telescopes to intricate particle accelerators. Philosophically, it emerges in our reflections on the meaning of life, time, and existence. Spiritually, it resonates in our sense of wonder and our drive to seek something greater than ourselves. Each of these facets enriches the narrative of our relationship with the universe, making it a story as complex and multifaceted as the cosmos itself. As we look forward, we are faced with both incredible opportunities and daunting challenges. The universe is a place of extremes, with environments that test the very limits of life and technology. The vacuum of space, the crushing gravity of neutron stars, and the icy voids of distant planets are not just obstacles, but invitations to innovate. In overcoming these challenges, we not only expand our reach, but also redefine what is possible for life. Consider the distant future of humanity, a time when we might inhabit planets orbiting stars light years away, or even exist in forms that transcend physical bodies. In this far-flung era, the universe could become a canvas for creativity on a cosmic scale. We might terraform worlds, create artificial ecosystems, or even build structures that rival the grandeur of galaxies. These possibilities are not just dreams. They are glimpses of what could be achieved by a species committed to exploration and growth. Yet, the path forward also requires humility. The universe is vast beyond comprehension, and our understanding of it remains incomplete. For every discovery we make, countless mysteries remain unsolved. This humility is not a limitation, but a strength. It reminds us to approach the cosmos with reverence, to value the unknown as much as the known, and to recognize that our journey is as much about the questions we ask as the answers we find. Among these questions, the nature of the universe's end looms large. Whether it concludes in a big freeze, a big crunch, or something entirely unexpected, its fate challenges us to think beyond the immediate and consider the long arc of existence. How do we, as finite beings, find meaning in a cosmos that may one day cease to be? The answer lies not in despair, but in action, in the choices we make to explore, to create, and to leave a legacy that echoes through time. This legacy is not just about survival, it is about flourishing. By venturing into space, we do not abandon our roots but honor them, carrying the story of Earth into the stars. By imagining futures where life thrives in even the harshest environments, we celebrate the resilience and adaptability that define us. And by sharing our knowledge and dreams with future generations, we ensure that the universe's story continues, enriched by the contributions of those who dare to dream. As we reflect on this journey, we are reminded that the universe is not static but a dynamic, ever-evolving entity. It is a place of constant change, where creation and destruction are intertwined, and where every ending holds the promise of a new beginning. This cycle of renewal is mirrored in our own lives, inspiring us to embrace transformation and to find beauty in the fleeting nature of existence. The universe's story is, in essence, a story of connections between stars and galaxies, between matter and energy, between the finite and the infinite. And as we reach for the stars, we strengthen our connection to this grand narrative, becoming both its authors and its audience. In doing so, we transcend the boundaries of time and space, finding our place in a cosmos that is as vast as it is deeply intertwined with who we are. And so, we continue to look forward, knowing that the journey itself is the destination. For as long as we wonder, as long as we seek, and as long as we dream, the story of the universe will remain alive, not just in the stars above, but in the hearts and minds of those who dare to ask, what comes next? What lies beyond? And how can we contribute to the infinite possibilities of a cosmos that has given us the extraordinary gift of existence? The infinite possibilities of the cosmos are more than just theoretical musings. They are a call to action for humanity to rise to its potential. The universe, vast and incomprehensibly ancient, has given us the tools to explore its mysteries and the capacity to imagine futures far beyond the constraints of our present. Each step we take toward understanding the cosmos is also a step toward understanding ourselves, our origins, and our ultimate purpose. As we ponder the question of what comes next, we must also grapple with the responsibilities that come with our growing knowledge. The more we uncover about the universe, the clearer it becomes that our place within it is both fragile and extraordinary. The Earth, our cradle, is a rarity, a speck of life-sustaining wonder in a vast sea of inhospitable worlds. Preserving this unique haven while reaching for the stars is one of humanity's greatest challenges, but it is also a profound opportunity. Our explorations of space are not just about survival or curiosity. They are acts of profound creativity. They embody our drive to build, to discover, and to transcend. The tools we develop to explore the cosmos, the spacecraft, telescopes, and theoretical models, are as much expressions of human ingenuity as they are instruments of science. They represent the culmination of millennia of thought, effort, and imagination, a testament to our collective ability to turn dreams into reality. Imagine a time in the distant future when humanity has spread across the galaxy, creating a network of civilizations that span star systems. In such an era, the universe itself might serve as a canvas for human expression. We could seed barren planets with life, construct habitats that float serenely in the light of distant suns, or build monuments that reflect the grandeur of the galaxies they orbit. These acts would not just be about survival, but about celebrating the boundless creativity and resilience of life. Yet, as we look outward, we must not lose sight of the profound interconnectedness that defines the cosmos. The atoms that make up our bodies were born in the explosions of ancient stars, and the light we see from distant galaxies carries with it the story of billions of years of cosmic evolution. This interconnectedness is a reminder that we are not separate from the universe, but a part of its ever-unfolding narrative. This perspective also informs how we approach the question of the universe's end. Whether it fades into cold darkness, collapses into fiery compression, or tears itself apart in a cosmic rift, its fate is a mirror of our own. The universe's story is one of change, transformation, and renewal, a story that resonates deeply with the cycles of life, death, and rebirth that shape our existence. By embracing this cyclical nature, we can find hope and meaning even in the face of the ultimate unknown. What then is our role in this grand narrative? Perhaps it is to be stewards of the universe's story, preserving its beauty and mystery while contributing to its legacy. Perhaps it is to become creators, shaping new worlds and new possibilities from the raw materials of existence. Or perhaps it is simply to be witnesses, marveling at the grandeur of the cosmos and sharing its wonders with others. No matter the role, our journey through the universe is one of profound significance. It is a journey that binds us to something greater than ourselves, a story that stretches from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy. In this story, we are not isolated beings, but part of a vast, interconnected whole, a network of matter, energy, and consciousness that spans time and space. This realization calls us to live with intention and wonder. It reminds us to cherish the fleeting moments we have, to explore with curiosity and courage, and to dream of futures that transcend the limits of our imagination. For in the face of infinity, our greatest gift is not just our capacity to understand, but our ability to create meaning. The universe, vast and mysterious, will continue to inspire those who look to the stars. Its story will unfold in ways we cannot yet predict, shaped by forces both natural and conscious. But as long as there are beings who ask questions, who seek knowledge, and who dream of what lies beyond, the story of the cosmos will never truly end. It will live on in the light of distant galaxies, in the whispers of particles at the edge of space-time, and in the hearts of those who dare to wonder. For the universe is not just a place we inhabit, it is a part of us, and we are a part of it. A connection that will endure as long as there are minds to perceive it and spirits to embrace its infinite possibilities. To embrace the infinite possibilities of the cosmos is to recognize that we are both a product of the universe and active participants in its unfolding story. This duality is at the heart of humanity's cosmic journey. On one hand, we are stardust, forged in the crucibles of ancient stars, bound by the same physical laws that govern the motion of galaxies. On the other hand, we are creators of meaning, seekers of truth, and architects of dreams, capable of shaping the universe in ways that no other known entity can. The journey ahead is as much about transformation as it is about exploration. Humanity stands on the cusp of becoming an interplanetary species, with plans to establish colonies on Mars and beyond. These efforts mark the beginning of a new chapter in our relationship with the cosmos. They are not just about survival. They are about expansion, of knowledge, of possibility, and of our understanding of what it means to be alive. But as we extend our reach into the stars, we must also consider the legacy we leave behind. Our actions, whether on Earth or in the farthest reaches of space, will shape the future not only of humanity, but of the universe itself. This responsibility calls for a careful balance between ambition and stewardship. How do we ensure that our exploration honors the profound beauty and complexity of the cosmos? How do we act as caretakers, not just consumers, of the resources and opportunities it offers? One way to approach these questions is through the lens of interconnectedness. The universe is not a collection of isolated phenomena, but a web of relationships, where every action has far-reaching consequences. This principle is evident in the cycles of matter and energy that sustain stars, planets, and life itself. It is also evident in the way human actions, whether the launch of a spacecraft or the discovery of a new particle, reverberate across the scientific and cultural landscapes. By embracing this interconnectedness, we can begin to see our role in the cosmos not as conquerors but as collaborators. This perspective shifts our focus from mere survival to flourishing, from extracting value from the universe to contributing to its ongoing story. It encourages us to approach exploration with humility and creativity, recognizing that every step we take is part of a larger narrative that connects us to the stars. This narrative is deeply inspiring because it transcends individual lifetimes and even generations. The questions we ask today about the nature of dark matter, the origins of life, or the fate of the cosmos may not be answered in our lifetime. Yet, the act of asking them is itself a legacy. It ensures that future generations will inherit not just knowledge, but the curiosity and determination to build upon it. In this way, humanity becomes a bridge between the past and the future, carrying the light of understanding through the vast darkness of the unknown. We are the universe's storytellers, weaving tales of discovery and wonder that reflect its grandeur and complexity. Through our science, art, and imagination, we give voice to the cosmos, transforming its silent beauty into something that resonates deeply within us. And as we continue this journey, we may find that the universe itself is more dynamic and surprising than we ever imagined. Emerging theories in physics suggest that the cosmos could be a kind of evolving system where new structures and dimensions emerge over time. If this is true, then the universe's story is far from static. It is a living narrative, one in which we play an active and evolving role. This possibility invites us to dream even bigger. What if the universe is not merely a stage, but a partner in creation? What if, through our actions and discoveries, we can shape its trajectory in ways that align with our highest aspirations? These questions challenge us to think not just about what is, but about what could be. To imagine futures where intelligence, creativity, and compassion are as integral to the cosmos as gravity and light. Ultimately, the story of the universe is a story of transformation, of stars and galaxies, of life and consciousness, of beginnings and endings. It is a story that reminds us of our connection to something far greater than ourselves, while also affirming the power of our choices to shape the future. As we continue to gaze at the stars, let us remember that we are not just observers of this story. We are participants in it. Let us act with purpose and vision, guided by the knowledge that our journey is part of a vast, timeless narrative that began long before us and will continue long after we are gone. And let us embrace the infinite possibilities of the cosmos, knowing that in the face of the infinite, the act of seeking, dreaming, and creating is itself an extraordinary gift, a testament to the boundless potential of life and the enduring wonder of existence. The enduring wonder of existence is perhaps the greatest gift the universe has bestowed upon us. It compels us to dream beyond the limits of our understanding, to ask questions that echo through the vastness of time and space. It reminds us that while we are small in comparison to the cosmos, our capacity to imagine, explore, and create imbues our lives with profound significance. As humanity charts its course into the future, we must recognize that our relationship with the universe is reciprocal. We are shaped by its forces, and in turn, we have the potential to shape it. This symbiosis calls for a deeper understanding of our place within the cosmic order, not just as inhabitants of a single planet, but as active participants in a universe teeming with possibilities. The notion of shaping the universe might seem abstract or even arrogant, but it is rooted in the simple fact that intelligence has the power to influence its environment. Just as early life on Earth transformed the planet's atmosphere, humanity has the capacity to impact the cosmos on a scale that grows with our technological and scientific advances. This influence could manifest in ways we can scarcely imagine. The construction of vast energy-collecting megastructures, the manipulation of space-time to enable faster-than-light travel, or even the deliberate seeding of life on distant worlds. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. The same forces that allow us to reach for the stars also remind us of the fragility of existence. The universe is a place of extremes, where the balance between creation and destruction is delicate. As we expand our horizons, we must act as thoughtful stewards, ensuring that our pursuits enhance, rather than diminish, the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. Stewardship begins with understanding. The questions we ask about the universe are not merely academic. They are the foundation of our ability to thrive within it. What is the true nature of dark matter and dark energy? How do black holes connect to the fabric of space-time? Could the universe itself be part of a larger multiverse, with countless other realities unfolding alongside our own? Each answer we uncover not only deepens our knowledge, but also broadens our sense of connection to the cosmos. This connection is more than scientific. It is deeply emotional and spiritual. The universe has the power to inspire awe, to evoke a sense of wonder that transcends the mundane. It reminds us of the beauty of existence, the resilience of life, and the endless potential of the human spirit. These feelings are not just byproducts of our curiosity. They are integral to our identity as a species capable of dreaming on a cosmic scale. As we dream, we also build. The technological advancements that have brought us to this moment are just the beginning. The development of reusable rockets, advances in artificial intelligence, and breakthroughs in material science are paving the way for a future where humanity can reach beyond our solar system. These tools will enable us to explore not just physically, but also conceptually, opening new frontiers of thought and innovation. Consider the impact of such exploration on future generations. The children born into a world where Mars is colonized, where telescopes routinely observe planets and other star systems, will grow up with a perspective that is fundamentally different from our own. For them, the universe will not be an abstract expanse, but a tangible, navigable realm filled with opportunities for discovery and growth. This shift in perspective has the potential to redefine what it means to be human, expanding our sense of identity and purpose. This expansion is not just outward, it is inward as well. The universe challenges us to reflect on who we are, what we value, and how we relate to one another. It reminds us that, despite our differences, we share a common origin and a common destiny. This shared connection can serve as a unifying force, inspiring collaboration and compassion in the face of global and cosmic challenges. Ultimately, the story of the universe is not just about its physical processes, but about the meaning we create within it. Each star, each galaxy, each particle is a chapter in a tale that we are privileged to read and to write. This narrative is not fixed. It is dynamic, shaped by our questions, our actions, and our dreams. And so, as we look to the future, let us carry with us the wisdom of the past and the hope of what lies ahead. Let us remember that the universe's story is one of transformation and renewal, of infinite cycles and endless possibilities. Let us embrace our role as both witnesses and participants in this extraordinary narrative, knowing that our journey is as timeless as the stars themselves. The universe is not just a place we observe, it is a part of us, and we are a part of it. Its story is written in the atoms of our bodies, the light of our stars, and the dreams of our minds. And as long as we continue to wonder, to explore, and to create, the story of the cosmos will never truly end. It will live on in every question we ask, every discovery we make, and every moment of awe that connects us to the infinite. As we carry the story of the cosmos forward, we find ourselves not only shaped by the universe but shaping it in return. Every exploration, every innovation, and every act of imagination we undertake adds a new dimension to the ongoing narrative of existence. The beauty of this narrative lies in its boundlessness. It is a story that will continue to evolve, driven by the questions we ask and the futures we dare to envision. The next chapters of humanity's journey into the cosmos may bring answers to some of our most profound mysteries. What lies at the heart of a black hole? Could we harness the immense energy of these cosmic phenomena to fuel interstellar travel? What secrets are held in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets? And might they reveal signs of life? Each of these questions beckons us to push the boundaries of what is possible, both technologically and intellectually. Our pursuit of these answers is more than a scientific endeavor. It is a deeply human one. It reflects our innate desire to connect with one another, with the universe, and with something greater than ourselves. This connection transcends time and space, linking us to the stars that formed billions of years ago and to the future explorers who will one day venture to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. As we dream of this future, we must also consider the ethical dimensions of our exploration. The universe is not a blank slate to be reshaped without consequence. It is a living system, complex and interconnected. Just as we are learning to care for our home planet, we must approach the cosmos with a sense of responsibility and reverence. How can we ensure that our presence enhances rather than diminishes the wonders of the universe? What legacy will we leave for those who come after us? These questions challenge us to think not just as individuals, but as a species united by a shared destiny. The choices we make today about technology, sustainability, and collaboration will shape the future of humanity's relationship with the cosmos. By acting with foresight and compassion, we can ensure that this relationship is one of growth, discovery, and mutual enrichment. In imagining this future, it is impossible to ignore the transformative power of technology. Advances in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and biotechnology are already reshaping our understanding of the universe and our place within it. These tools not only enhance our ability to explore, but also expand our capacity to imagine. They allow us to simulate conditions on other planets, model the evolution of galaxies, and even speculate about the nature of parallel universes. But as powerful as these tools are, they are only as meaningful as the intentions behind them. The universe challenges us to use our technology not just to conquer, but to connect, not just to solve problems, but to ask deeper questions. What does it mean to be part of a cosmos that is vast, ancient, and ever-changing? How can we contribute to the ongoing story of the universe in ways that honor its complexity and beauty? This story is one of constant renewal. Just as stars die to create the elements that give rise to life, so too does the universe remind us that endings are not final. They're transitions, opportunities for transformation and growth. This cycle is mirrored in our own lives, encouraging us to see every challenge as a chance to evolve, every mystery as an invitation to explore. The universe also teaches us the value of perspective. From the vantage point of Earth, the cosmos can seem overwhelmingly vast, its scale dwarfing our individual lives. Yet this same vastness is a source of wonder, reminding us that we are part of something extraordinary. The light of distant galaxies, traveling billions of years to reach us, carries with it a message of connection, a reminder that we are linked to the farthest corners of existence by the simple act of observation. As we gaze at the stars, let us remember that the universe is not just out there, it is within us. The atoms in our bodies, the thoughts in our minds, and the dreams in our hearts are all products of the same cosmic processes that shape galaxies and stars. This realization is both humbling and empowering, for it shows us that we are not separate from the universe, but a reflection of its endless creativity and potential. In this light, the question of the universe's end takes on new meaning. Rather than a conclusion, it becomes a reminder of the cycles that define existence, of beginnings that emerge from endings, of creation that arises from destruction. It challenges us to focus not on finality, but on the journey, to embrace the fleeting beauty of the present while striving to shape a future filled with possibility. The story of the cosmos will continue, written in the light of stars yet to be born, in the discoveries of explorers yet to come, and in the dreams of those who look to the night sky and wonder. It is a story that unites us across time and space, connecting the finite with the infinite, the fleeting with the eternal. As we move forward, let us carry this story with us, knowing that our questions, actions, and dreams are all part of something greater. For in the vastness of the cosmos, we find not just answers but inspiration, a reminder that, no matter how small we may seem, we are a vital part of an extraordinary journey. And as long as we continue to wonder, to explore, and to dream, the story of the universe will never truly end. It will live on, in the stars above, in the minds that seek to understand them, and in the infinite possibilities that await us all. The infinite possibilities that await us in the cosmos are not just distant dreams. They are the seeds of a future that humanity is already beginning to cultivate. Each step we take, whether it's the development of groundbreaking technologies, the launch of exploratory missions, or the expansion of our scientific understanding, is a step closer to realizing our potential as cosmic beings. This journey is as much about discovery as it is about transformation of our knowledge, our capabilities, and our vision for what lies ahead. The cosmos inspires us to think in terms of scales that challenge the imagination. From the subatomic to the intergalactic, the universe operates on a spectrum of extremes that invites us to expand our understanding of reality. Yet, within this vastness, we find a unifying truth. The principles that govern the smallest particles are the same ones that shape the largest structures. This interconnectedness is a source of wonder, a reminder that we are deeply embedded in the fabric of existence. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, we are also faced with profound questions about its nature and its purpose. Is the cosmos infinite, or does it have boundaries we cannot yet perceive? Are we part of a multiverse, where countless other universes operate under different laws of physics. If time and space are not absolute but emergent properties, what does this mean for our understanding of existence itself? These questions are not just intellectual challenges. They are windows into the heart of reality, calling us to explore not only the external universe, but the limits of our own perception. The answers to these questions may take generations to uncover, but the act of seeking them is transformative in its own right. It connects us to a lineage of explorers and thinkers who have dared to look beyond the horizon, from ancient astronomers mapping the stars to modern physicists probing the origins of the cosmos. This legacy is a testament to the enduring human spirit, a spirit that refuses to be confined by the known and continually reaches for the infinite. Imagine a future where this spirit propels humanity to the stars. Picture colonies thriving on distant planets, vast spacecraft journeying between star systems, and networks of civilizations exchanging knowledge across the galaxy. This vision is not mere fantasy. It is the logical extension of the curiosity and ingenuity that have brought us from the caves of our ancestors to the precipice of interstellar exploration. In this future, humanity's role in the cosmos could evolve in ways that challenge our current understanding of existence. As we master the technologies needed to travel between stars, we may also unlock the means to manipulate the very fabric of space and time. This could enable us to preserve life in the face of cosmic catastrophes, to create habitats in otherwise uninhabitable environments, or even to shape the universe's destiny on scales that transcend our present comprehension. Yet, with such power comes a profound responsibility. The universe is not merely a stage for our ambitions. It is a complex, dynamic system with its own rhythms and balances. As we extend our influence, we must do so with an ethic of care, ensuring that our actions honor the beauty and intricacy of the cosmos. This requires a shift in perspective, from seeing ourselves as separate from the universe to recognizing that we are an integral part of it. This perspective also offers a new lens through which to view the universe's end. Whether it culminates in a big freeze, a big crunch, or something entirely unforeseen, the universe's fate is a reminder of the cycles that define existence. Just as stars are born, live, and die, so too does the cosmos itself follow patterns of transformation. These cycles are not just endings. They are opportunities for renewal, for the emergence of new forms and possibilities. In contemplating these cycles, we are reminded of the power of impermanence. The fleeting nature of existence does not diminish its value. It enhances it, encouraging us to cherish each moment and to act with intention. This principle applies not only to individual lives, but to humanity's collective journey through the cosmos. By embracing the transient, we find meaning in the eternal, weaving our actions into the larger story of the universe. This story is one of connection between matter and energy, between past and future, and between the finite and the infinite. It is a story that invites us to transcend our limitations and to see ourselves as part of a continuum that stretches across time and space. It is a story that unites us, reminding us that, despite our differences, we are all stardust, born of the same cosmic processes and bound by the same universal laws. And so, as we look to the stars, let us do so with wonder and determination. Let us carry with us the lessons of the past, the aspirations of the present, and the dreams of the future. Let us approach the universe not as something to be conquered, but as a partner in creation, a source of inspiration, and a reflection of our deepest selves. The universe's story is not just about galaxies and stars. It is about the beings who have the courage to ask what lies beyond, to imagine what could be, and to act in ways that honor the infinite possibilities of existence. This story will continue, written in the light of distant worlds, the echoes of discoveries yet to be made, and the hearts of those who dare to dream among the stars. It is a story without end, for as long as there is curiosity, there is hope, and as long as there is hope, the journey will always go on. The journey goes on, stretching infinitely into the unknown, driven by our collective yearning to explore, understand, and create. The universe, in its vastness and complexity, provides not only the canvas for this odyssey, but also its inspiration. Each star that illuminates the night sky, each galaxy that spirals across the void, and each particle that hums with quantum energy reminds us of the boundless potential that lies within and around us. Humanity's journey into the cosmos is not just about reaching physical destinations. It is about expanding the horizons of thought, imagination, and meaning. It is a journey that challenges us to redefine our limits and to envision futures that transcend the constraints of the present. The cosmos invites us to dream big, not only of interstellar travel and new worlds to inhabit, but also of new ways to live, to connect, and to thrive. As we chart this course, we are guided by a simple yet profound truth. The universe is not static. It evolves, transforms, and reveals itself to those who dare to look beyond the familiar. In this dynamic interplay of creation and destruction, humanity finds its purpose, not to control the cosmos, but to participate in its unfolding story, to observe, to learn, to adapt, and to contribute to the narrative of existence in ways that resonate across the ages. Imagine the distant future, where humanity has become a multi-planetary species, with civilizations flourishing across star systems. Each colony, each settlement, reflects a different aspect of human ingenuity and resilience, shaped by the unique challenges and opportunities of its environment. These communities, though separated by vast distances, are united by a shared sense of wonder and a commitment to exploration. They see the cosmos not as a series of obstacles to overcome, but as a living system to be understood and cherished. This future might also bring encounters with other forms of life, beings that have emerged from the same cosmic processes that gave rise to us. Such discoveries would redefine our understanding of intelligence, diversity, and what it means to be alive. They would remind us that the universe, in its vastness, is capable of far more than we can currently imagine, and that we are part of a tapestry far greater than ourselves. Even in the absence of such encounters, humanity's journey holds profound significance. The act of exploring, questioning, and dreaming is itself a celebration of existence. It is a way of affirming our connection to the cosmos and of ensuring that our legacy endures. This legacy is not just about the knowledge we leave behind. It is about the spirit of curiosity, creativity, and collaboration that defines us as a species. As we push further into the cosmos, the ethical dimension of our actions becomes increasingly important. How do we balance the drive to explore with the responsibility to protect? How can we ensure that our presence in the universe enhances rather than diminishes its beauty and complexity? These questions are not just philosophical. They are practical challenges that will shape the future of space exploration and our relationship with the cosmos. Answering these questions requires us to think not just about what we can do, but about what we should do. It calls for a perspective that values sustainability, respect, and humility. It challenges us to see the universe not as a resource to be exploited, but as a partner in a shared journey of discovery and growth. By acting with foresight and care, we can create a future where humanity's presence in the cosmos is a force for creation and renewal. The story of the universe is far from over. It will continue to unfold in ways that surprise and inspire us, driven by forces both natural and conscious. As participants in this story, we have the opportunity to shape its course, to add chapters that reflect the best of who we are and who we aspire to be. These chapters will be written not just in the stars, but in the lives we lead, the knowledge we share, and the dreams we pursue. And so, the journey continues. The universe, with all its mysteries and wonders, beckons us forward, challenging us to think bigger, to dream deeper, and to act with purpose. It reminds us that the end is never truly the end. It is a new beginning, a transformation, a gateway to infinite possibilities. As we stand at the threshold of the cosmos, let us carry this spirit with us. Let us embrace the unknown with courage and curiosity, knowing that our actions today will shape the legacy we leave for tomorrow. Let us celebrate the extraordinary gift of existence, finding meaning not in the certainty of answers, but in the joy of exploration. For as long as there are questions to ask, discoveries to make, and stars to guide us, the story of the universe will endure. It will live on in the light of distant galaxies, in the whispers of particles at the edge of time, and in the hearts of those who dare to dream. And in that dreaming, the infinite possibilities of existence will continue to unfold, one extraordinary chapter at a time. The extraordinary chapters of the universe's story, yet unwritten, are the canvas on which humanity's destiny may unfold. Each moment we spend contemplating, exploring, and expanding our knowledge adds a brushstroke to this cosmic masterpiece. As we stand on the precipice of profound change, we are reminded that our role in this story is both a privilege and a responsibility. The privilege lies in our ability to perceive and understand the universe. Out of all the phenomena in the cosmos, life, and particularly intelligent life, represents a unique convergence of conditions where matter becomes aware of itself. This awareness allows us to reflect on our origins, marvel at our surroundings, and imagine our future. It is through this lens of consciousness that the universe becomes not just a physical realm, but a source of meaning and inspiration. Our responsibility arises from the realization that, as stewards of this awareness, our actions have far-reaching implications. What we do in the present shapes the trajectory of humanity and, potentially, the universe itself. This calls for a profound sense of purpose, rooted in the understanding that we are interconnected with the cosmos in ways both visible and unseen. One way to honor this connection is by fostering a culture of exploration that values both curiosity and care. The drive to explore is deeply embedded in human nature. It is what led our ancestors to cross oceans, scale mountains, and map the skies. Today, that same drive fuels our quest to understand the universe, from the tiniest quantum particles to the farthest galaxies. But exploration must be guided by respect for the environments we encounter and the systems we interact with. This ethic ensures that our discoveries benefit not only ourselves, but also the greater tapestry of life and the cosmos. As humanity ventures beyond Earth, the importance of this ethic becomes even more apparent. The challenges of space exploration, from surviving the harsh conditions of other planets to navigating the vast distances between stars, will test our ingenuity and resilience. These challenges are not insurmountable. They are opportunities to learn, innovate, and grow. They remind us that our greatest strength lies in our ability to adapt, to collaborate, and to envision solutions that transcend the limitations of the present. The technologies that emerge from these efforts will not only expand our reach, but also deepen our understanding of the universe. Advances in propulsion systems, energy harnessing, and life support technologies could enable us to establish sustainable colonies on other planets. In time, we may unlock the secrets of faster-than-light travel or discover ways to manipulate space-time itself. These breakthroughs would open the door to an era of interstellar exploration, where the stars become not just distant lights, but destinations. Yet, as we reach for the stars, we must not lose sight of the journey itself. The act of exploration is not just about reaching new frontiers. It is about how we grow and transform along the way. It is about the stories we create, the connections we forge, and the legacy we leave behind. This legacy is not just about the knowledge we accumulate, but the spirit of curiosity, creativity, and collaboration that defines our approach to the cosmos. This spirit will guide us as we confront the deeper mysteries of the universe. What lies beyond the observable horizon? What is the true nature of dark matter and dark energy? Could there be other dimensions or universes parallel to our own? These questions, vast and profound, challenge us to expand our understanding of reality itself. They remind us that the universe is not a puzzle to be solved, but a mystery to be engaged with, a source of endless inspiration. As we engage with these mysteries, we are also reminded of the transient nature of existence. Stars are born and die, galaxies collide and reform, and even the universe itself is subject to the cycles of creation and destruction. Yet, within this impermanence lies a profound beauty, a testament to the resilience and creativity of the cosmos. Just as life on Earth has thrived in the face of change, so too can humanity find meaning and purpose in the ever-evolving story of the universe. The story of the cosmos is one of infinite possibility, where every ending is a beginning, and every question leads to new horizons. It is a story that invites us to dream, to explore, and to create. And as long as there are minds to wonder and hearts to dream, this story will never truly end. It will continue to unfold, written in the stars, and carried forward by those who dare to imagine what lies beyond. As we embark on this journey, let us do so with wonder, humility, and hope. Let us embrace the unknown not as something to fear, but as a realm of opportunity. Let us honor the universe not just as a place to explore, but as a partner in our shared journey of discovery. For in the face of the infinite, we find not just questions but meaning, not just challenges but inspiration, not just vastness but connection. And in this connection, we discover the greatest truth of all, that the story of the universe is, in the end, a story of us, our dreams, our aspirations, and our endless capacity to reach for the stars. To reach for the stars is not merely a physical endeavor. It is an act of profound courage, imagination, and unity. It is a declaration that humanity is not content to remain bound by its origins, but is compelled to explore the vast and infinite unknown. This drive to transcend our limitations reflects a fundamental truth about existence. Life, in all its forms, seeks to grow, to connect, and to evolve. As we stand at the threshold of this cosmic journey, we are reminded that the stars we aim to touch are not just distant destinations. They are symbols of what we can achieve when we dream together. They embody the aspirations of generations who have gazed at the night sky, wondering what lies beyond, and daring to believe that we could one day find out. The challenges ahead will be immense, but they are challenges worth embracing. The vast distances between stars, the scarcity of resources in deep space, and the unknown hazards of extraterrestrial environments will test our resilience and ingenuity. Yet, these obstacles also present opportunities to forge new solutions, to develop technologies that push the boundaries of possibility, and to foster cooperation on a scale never before seen. This cooperation is key. The journey to the stars cannot be undertaken by any one nation, organization, or individual. It is a collective endeavor that requires the shared resources, talents, and visions of all humanity. The challenges we face in space exploration mirror those we confront on Earth: climate change, resource management, and the need for equitable collaboration. By addressing these issues in the context of the cosmos, we can also find solutions that benefit our home planet. As we look outward, we must also look inward. The drive to explore the universe forces us to confront questions about our identity and purpose. What does it mean to be human in a cosmos so vast? How do we reconcile our smallness with the grandeur of the universe? The answers to these questions are not fixed. They evolve as we grow in understanding and as our relationship with the cosmos deepens. One emerging realization is that humanity's role in the universe is not just to observe, but to participate. We are creators, innovators, and storytellers. Our actions, whether through science, art, or philosophy, add meaning to the cosmos. By striving to understand the universe, we transform it from a collection of stars and galaxies into a living narrative, a story that connects us to the infinite. This connection is what gives our journey its greatest significance. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient stars, and the light that reaches us from distant galaxies carries with it the echoes of billions of years. We are not separate from the universe. We are an expression of it. Every discovery we make, every step we take into the unknown, is a way of honoring this profound connection. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, we may one day encounter other forms of life, beings that have followed their own paths of evolution and discovery. Such an encounter would be a moment of unparalleled significance, a confirmation that the universe is teeming with creativity and diversity. It would challenge us to rethink our place in the cosmos and to consider what it means to be part of a larger, interconnected community of intelligent life. Even if we remain alone in the observable universe, our journey is no less meaningful. The act of exploration is itself a celebration of existence, a way of affirming that life, intelligence, and creativity are forces that can shape the cosmos. Through our curiosity, We transform the universe into something more than a collection of phenomena. We make it a reflection of our own aspirations and dreams. As we gaze toward the future, let us embrace the unknown with open hearts and minds. Let us recognize that the universe's story is still unfolding and that we have the privilege of contributing to its next chapters. Whether we establish colonies on other planets, discover the secrets of dark matter and dark energy, or unlock the mysteries of time itself, every step forward is a testament to our capacity to dream, to create, and to connect. The stars above remind us that we are part of something vast, ancient, and beautiful. They call us to explore not just the cosmos, but the depths of our own potential. They challenge us to think beyond the confines of the present, to imagine futures where humanity thrives as a cosmic species, and to act in ways that honor the infinite possibilities of existence. And so, the journey continues. The universe, with all its mysteries and wonders, beckons us forward, reminding us that the greatest adventures are not just about where we go, but about who we become along the way. As long as there are minds to wonder and hearts to dream, the story of the cosmos will endure, carried forward by those who dare to reach for the stars and beyond. For in the act of seeking, we find not just answers but purpose. And in the infinite, we discover the extraordinary gift of being alive. The extraordinary gift of being alive, particularly in a universe as vast and mysterious as ours, is a privilege that resonates with endless possibilities. It is not just about existing, but about participating in the grand dance of creation, transformation, and discovery that defines the cosmos. In every moment of wonder, every question asked, and every journey undertaken, we are fulfilling a unique role, that of the universe reflecting on itself. This reflection is both humbling and empowering. Humbling, because it reminds us of our smallness in the face of a cosmos that spans billions of light years and billions of years. Empowering, because it highlights the profound fact that, despite this vastness, we possess the tools to uncover its secrets, to imagine futures that transcend our limitations, and to act as stewards of its beauty and complexity. Our stewardship of the cosmos begins with understanding our place within it. The Earth, our cradle, is not an isolated speck of life, but part of an intricate web of cosmic processes. The sunlight that warms our planet comes from nuclear fusion in the heart of a star. The air we breathe is composed of elements forged in stellar explosions billions of years ago. Recognizing this interconnectedness deepens our sense of responsibility, not only to protect our home planet, but to approach the universe with the same care and respect. As we look beyond Earth, this sense of responsibility takes on new dimensions. The exploration of other planets, moons, and star systems offers opportunities to expand our horizons, but it also challenges us to consider the ethical implications of our actions. How do we ensure that we do not harm the environments we explore? What obligations do we have to any forms of life, intelligent or otherwise, that we might encounter? These questions are not merely theoretical. They are the foundations of a cosmic ethic that will guide our actions as we move further into the universe. This ethic is not just about avoiding harm. It is about actively contributing to the story of the cosmos. Humanity's capacity for creativity, innovation, and imagination allows us to do more than observe the universe. We can shape it in ways that honor its beauty and complexity. From terraforming barren planets to creating sustainable habitats in space, we have the potential to become co-creators in the cosmic narrative, fostering new opportunities for life and intelligence to flourish. The drive to explore and create is not limited to physical frontiers. As we push the boundaries of technology and science, we also expand the boundaries of thought. Concepts that once seemed impossible, such as manipulating space-time to enable faster-than-light travel, harnessing the energy of black holes, or creating artificial universes, are now subjects of serious inquiry. These ideas challenge us to think not just about what is possible, but about what could be, inspiring new ways of understanding and interacting with the cosmos. At the heart of this journey is the recognition that exploration is not an end in itself. It is a means of connection. Each discovery, whether it is the identification of a distant exoplanet or the observation of a black hole, connects us more deeply to the universe and to one another. It reminds us that we are part of a shared story, a story that transcends time, space, and individual lives. This shared story is what unites humanity in the face of the unknown. The challenges we face, whether they are cosmic in scale or rooted in our daily lives, are opportunities to come together, to collaborate, and to dream collectively. The exploration of space is not just about advancing technology or securing resources. It is about fostering a sense of unity and purpose that extends beyond borders, cultures, and generations. As we venture further into the cosmos, let us carry this sense of unity with us. Let us recognize that the stars are not just destinations, but symbols of what we can achieve when we work together. Let us honor the legacy of those who have come before us, from the first stargazers to the pioneers of modern science, by continuing to ask questions, seek answers, and imagine futures that inspire. The universe's story is far from over. It is a story of infinite cycles and transformations, of endings that are beginnings and beginnings that are endings. In this story, humanity has a unique and vital role, not as mere spectators, but as participants who add depth, meaning, and creativity to the cosmic narrative. And so, the journey continues. The light of distant galaxies, the whispers of particles at the edge of time, and the dreams of those who gaze at the stars all remind us that we are part of something extraordinary. As long as we continue to wonder, to explore, and to dream, the story of the cosmos will endure, carried forward by the boundless imagination and indomitable spirit of those who dare to reach for the infinite. For in the face of the unknown, we find not just answers but inspiration. In the vastness of space, we discover the beauty of connection. And in the infinite possibilities of existence, we realize the profound gift of being alive, ready to write the next chapter of the universe's extraordinary tale. As we prepare to write the next chapter of the universe's extraordinary tale, we are reminded that this journey is as much about discovery as it is about creation. The universe has provided us with the raw materials of stars and planets, the tools of physics and chemistry, and the capacity for consciousness and curiosity. What we do with these gifts will define our place in the cosmic story, a story that continues to unfold with each passing moment. Our ability to shape this story lies in our collective imagination, ingenuity, and perseverance. The challenges we face in exploring the cosmos are immense, from the technical hurdles of interstellar travel to the moral dilemmas of interacting with other worlds. Yet, these challenges are also opportunities to innovate, to unite, and to grow as a species capable of embracing the vastness of existence. One of the most immediate frontiers is our solar system, a treasure trove of worlds that offer both intrigue and potential. Mars, with its ancient riverbeds and polar ice caps, beckons as a potential home for human settlers. Europa and Enceladus, moons with subsurface oceans, tantalize with the possibility of life beneath their icy crusts. Even Venus, with its extreme conditions, challenges us to imagine how we might adapt and thrive in environments vastly different from Earth. Beyond the solar system, the search for exoplanets has revealed a universe teeming with possibilities. With thousands of planets identified around distant stars, and many more yet to be discovered, we are only beginning to understand the diversity of worlds that exist. Some of these planets may be habitable, offering insights into the conditions necessary for life. Others may challenge our understanding of planetary science, with compositions and behaviors that defy expectations. As we explore these worlds, the question of life looms large. Are we alone in the universe, or are there other forms of intelligence awaiting discovery? The answer to this question would redefine our understanding of our place in the cosmos. If life exists elsewhere, it would confirm that the processes that gave rise to us are not unique, but part of a universal pattern. If we are alone, it would underscore the preciousness of our existence and the responsibility we bear to preserve and extend it. The search for life also leads us to reflect on the nature of intelligence itself. What does it mean to be intelligent in a universe governed by entropy and change? How might other forms of intelligence, shaped by different environments and evolutionary paths, perceive and interact with the cosmos? These questions challenge us to expand our definitions and to approach the unknown with humility and openness. Even as we look outward, the universe invites us to look inward, to examine the ways in which our exploration shapes us as individuals and as a species. The act of reaching for the stars is not just about the discoveries we make. It is about the growth that comes from confronting the unknown. It teaches us to be resilient in the face of uncertainty, to find beauty in complexity, and to recognize the interconnectedness of all things. This interconnectedness is perhaps the most profound lesson the universe has to offer. The atoms in our bodies were forged in stars. The light we see from distant galaxies carries messages from billions of years ago, and the gravitational waves we detect ripple through the fabric of space-time itself. These connections remind us that we are not separate from the cosmos, but a vital part of its unfolding story. As participants in this story, we have a responsibility to act with vision and care. The choices we make today about how we explore, how we use our resources, and how we interact with one another will shape the legacy we leave for future generations. By approaching the cosmos with respect, creativity, and collaboration, we ensure that this legacy is one of growth, discovery, and inspiration. The story of the universe is not static. It is dynamic, ever-changing, and filled with potential. It is a story that invites us to dream big, to reach beyond what we know, and to embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. And while we may not know how this story will end, or if it will end at all, our role in it is clear: to seek, to learn, and to create. As we move forward, let us carry with us the wonder that first drew us to the stars. Let us remember that the universe is not just something we observe. It is something we are a part of, something we shape with every question we ask and every dream we pursue. And let us approach the infinite not with fear, but with hope, knowing that our journey is not just about the destinations we reach, but the connections we forge along the way. For in the vastness of the cosmos, we find the ultimate expression of possibility, a reminder that the universe's story is our story, and its potential is as boundless as our imagination. And as long as we continue to explore, to dream, and to wonder, the next chapter of this extraordinary tale will always be waiting to be written. The next chapter of the universe's tale beckons us forward, a blank page awaiting the imprint of human curiosity and ingenuity. Every step we take into the cosmos is an affirmation of the values that define us: the relentless pursuit of knowledge, the courage to face the unknown, and the creativity to imagine futures that transcend the boundaries of the present. As we stand at the threshold of interplanetary and interstellar exploration, the possibilities before us are as boundless as the universe itself. Humanity's ventures into space are no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. They are becoming tangible realities. Missions to Mars, the search for habitable exoplanets, and the development of technologies that could one day carry us to other star systems are all part of a larger narrative, a narrative of growth, connection, and transformation. But this journey is not just about technological advancement. It is a journey of the mind and spirit, a journey that challenges us to redefine what it means to be human. As we explore worlds beyond our own, we are forced to confront fundamental questions. What does it mean to thrive in a universe that is vast, ancient, and ever-changing? How do we preserve our humanity while adapting to the challenges of space? What legacies do we hope to leave for the future? These questions compel us to think not just about survival, but about flourishing. To flourish in the cosmos is to embrace its vastness, not as a void to be conquered, but as a canvas for creation. It is to recognize that the challenges we face, distance, isolation, scarcity, are also opportunities to innovate, to collaborate, and to grow. It is to see every obstacle as a chance to demonstrate the resilience and adaptability that have defined us throughout history. At the same time, our exploration of the universe calls for humility. The cosmos operates on scales of time and space that dwarf human comprehension, governed by laws that are both elegant and enigmatic. Each discovery we make reminds us of how much we have yet to learn, encouraging us to approach the unknown with respect and awe. This humility is not a limitation. It is a source of strength, a reminder that our pursuit of knowledge is part of a larger story that connects us to the infinite. This connection is perhaps the most profound aspect of our journey. The universe is not a separate entity to be studied from afar. It is a system of which we are an integral part. The stars that light up the night sky, the galaxies that stretch across the void, and the particles that dance in the quantum realm are all expressions of the same processes that gave rise to us. To explore the cosmos is, in a very real sense, to explore ourselves. As we venture outward, we must also look inward, examining the values and intentions that drive our actions. How can we ensure that our exploration enhances, rather than diminishes, the beauty and complexity of the universe? How can we balance our desire to expand with our responsibility to preserve? These questions demand that we cultivate an ethic of care, an approach to the cosmos that values sustainability, respect, and collaboration. This ethic extends beyond humanity. If we discover other forms of life, whether microbial or intelligent, how will we relate to them? What obligations do we have to ensure that their existence and environments are not disrupted by our presence? These questions highlight the importance of viewing the universe not just as a resource, but as a shared space, a place where life, in all its forms, can coexist and thrive. Even as we prepare for the challenges of interstellar exploration, the universe reminds us to cherish the present. The Earth, with its vibrant ecosystems and intricate balance, is a rare and precious home. The lessons we learn from our planet about adaptation, sustainability, and interconnectedness will serve us well as we venture into the stars. By caring for our home, we lay the foundation for a future where humanity can thrive, not just on Earth but across the cosmos. This future is not a distant dream. It is a vision that we are building today. Each new discovery, each technological breakthrough, each moment of inspiration brings us closer to a reality where the stars are within our reach. And as we journey forward, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of generations who have looked to the heavens and wondered what lies beyond. In the end, the story of the universe is not just about its physical processes or its ultimate fate. It is about the meaning we create within it, the connections we forge, the discoveries we make, and the legacies we leave. It is a story that celebrates the infinite possibilities of existence and the extraordinary capacity of life to evolve, adapt, and create. As we continue this journey, let us do so with wonder, with courage, and with hope. Let us embrace the unknown not as a source of fear, but as an invitation to grow. Let us honor the universe not just as a backdrop for our lives, but as a partner in our shared story of discovery and transformation. For as long as there are stars to guide us, questions to inspire us, and dreams to propel us forward, the story of the cosmos will endure. It will live on in the light of distant galaxies, in the echoes of future discoveries, and in the hearts of those who dare to reach for the infinite. And in that reaching, we will continue to write the extraordinary tale of the universe, one chapter, one journey, one dream at a time. As we continue to write the tale of the universe, we carry with us the understanding that this story is not just about the cosmos. It is about us, our place within it, and the futures we dare to envision. Every action we take, every discovery we make, becomes part of a narrative that transcends time and space, linking us to the stars and galaxies that have inspired humanity since its earliest days. The future of this story lies not only in the grand achievements of science and exploration, but also in the ways we choose to live, collaborate, and dream. It is about fostering a sense of unity across nations, generations, and cultures, recognizing that the challenges and opportunities of the cosmos belong to all of us. The night sky, after all, is a shared treasure, a reminder of the infinite possibilities that await and the common destiny that binds us. This shared destiny drives humanity to aim higher and think bigger. The steps we take now, developing sustainable technologies, building interplanetary habitats, and searching for life beyond Earth, are the foundation for a future where the cosmos is not just a distant wonder, but an integral part of our everyday lives. This is not a future of isolation, but one of connection, where humanity expands its reach while remaining deeply rooted in the principles that define us: curiosity, creativity, and compassion. Curiosity fuels our desire to understand the universe, pushing us to ask questions that challenge the limits of knowledge. What are the fundamental building blocks of reality? How did the universe begin, and how might it evolve? Are there other dimensions, other forms of life, other ways of being that we have yet to encounter? Each question opens a door to new possibilities, reminding us that the journey of discovery is as infinite as the cosmos itself. Creativity empowers us to imagine and innovate, turning dreams into realities that shape the course of history. The technologies we develop to explore the cosmos, advanced propulsion systems, energy harnessing mechanisms, and artificial intelligence, are not just tools. They are expressions of human ingenuity. They represent our ability to adapt to new challenges, to find solutions to seemingly insurmountable problems, and to create futures that once seemed unattainable. Compassion grounds us in the understanding that our journey is not just about reaching the stars, but about how we choose to get there. It reminds us to approach the universe with humility and respect, recognizing the interconnectedness of all things. Whether we are exploring a distant planet, interacting with potential extraterrestrial life, or simply observing the wonders of the cosmos, compassion calls us to act as stewards, ensuring that our presence enriches rather than diminishes the beauty and complexity of the universe. This balance between curiosity, creativity, and compassion will shape the next chapters of our cosmic story. It will guide us as we explore new worlds, uncover the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, and perhaps one day harness the forces that drive the universe itself. It will inspire us to build civilizations that reflect the best of what humanity has to offer, blending technological advancement with ethical stewardship. But even as we look to the stars, the journey is not only about what lies ahead, it is also about how we grow and evolve along the way. The universe challenges us to think beyond the confines of our planet, our lifetimes, and even our species. It invites us to see ourselves as part of a vast, interconnected web of existence, where every atom, every thought, and every action contributes to the greater whole. In embracing this perspective, we find meaning not only in the infinite, but in the present. The universe teaches us to cherish the fleeting moments of wonder, to celebrate the progress we have made, and to look forward to the adventures that await. It reminds us that while the cosmos may be vast and eternal, our individual lives are opportunities to make a lasting impact. Through the knowledge we share, the relationships we build, and the dreams we pursue. And so, the journey continues. The light of distant stars will guide us. The mysteries of the universe will inspire us, and the boundless potential of human imagination will propel us forward. We will venture into the unknown not as solitary explorers, but as part of a collective that values discovery, connection, and creation. The story of the universe is far from finished, and its most exciting chapters are still to come. As long as there are minds to wonder, hands to build, and hearts to dream, the tale will go on. A story of transformation, exploration, and infinite possibilities. For in the face of the infinite, we find purpose. In the vastness of space, we discover beauty. And in the journey itself, we realize that the universe is not just a place we inhabit, but a story we are privileged to write. Together, we will continue to dream, to explore, and to shape the cosmos. One star, one step, one chapter at a time. The next chapters of the universe's story, written in the stars and carried forward by our dreams, are a testament to the boundless nature of human potential. Every milestone we achieve, whether it is venturing further into space, unlocking the mysteries of the quantum world, or developing technologies that expand our reach, serves as a reminder that we are active participants in the cosmos's unfolding narrative. This journey, however, is not without its challenges. The universe is a realm of extremes, a place where time stretches and space bends, where stars are born and die in violent bursts of energy. Yet, it is within these extremes that we find our greatest opportunities to learn, to innovate, and to adapt. Each challenge we face is a stepping stone, a chance to deepen our understanding and to grow as a species capable of thriving in even the harshest conditions. As we prepare for the realities of living and exploring beyond Earth, the importance of resilience becomes clear. The inhospitable environments of other planets, the vast distances between stars, and the uncertainties of the unknown demand that we develop technologies and strategies that ensure not just survival, but flourishing. This resilience will come not only from engineering marvels, but also from our ability to collaborate, to innovate, and to approach each obstacle with determination and creativity. At the same time, our exploration of the cosmos calls for a profound sense of humility. The universe is a place of unimaginable scale and complexity, governed by forces that we are only beginning to understand. Each discovery we make, from the detection of gravitational waves to the identification of habitable exoplanets, reminds us of how much more there is to learn. This humility is not a weakness. It is a strength, a foundation for curiosity that drives us to ask deeper questions and seek greater truths. One of the most profound questions we face is whether we are alone in the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life, whether microbial or intelligent, is not just a scientific endeavor, but a philosophical one. What would it mean to find life on another world? How would such a discovery change our understanding of ourselves, our planet, and our place in the cosmos? And if we are truly alone, what does that say about the preciousness of life and the responsibility we bear as its stewards? These questions challenge us to expand our perspective, to see the universe not just as a collection of stars and galaxies, but as a vast, interconnected system in which we play a unique role. They invite us to reflect on what it means to be human in a cosmos that is both ancient and ever-evolving. And they remind us that the journey to the stars is not just about physical exploration. It is about discovering who we are and who we can become. The answers to these questions will not come quickly or easily, but the act of seeking them is itself transformative. It inspires us to push the boundaries of what is possible, to develop new ways of thinking and creating, and to dream of futures that transcend the limitations of the present. This process of discovery and innovation is not just about advancing science. It is about shaping a vision for humanity that is rooted in curiosity, compassion, and connection. As we move forward, the lessons of the cosmos will continue to guide us. The universe operates in cycles of creation and destruction, of endings that give rise to new beginnings. It is a reminder that change is not something to fear, but something to embrace, a constant that drives growth, renewal, and evolution. By aligning ourselves with these cycles, we can approach the future with resilience and optimism, knowing that every challenge is an opportunity for transformation. This optimism is not naive. It is a reflection of the incredible progress we have already made. In just a few generations, humanity has gone from looking at the stars with naked eyes to sending spacecraft beyond our solar system, from imagining other worlds to mapping them in detail. These achievements are a testament to the power of human ingenuity, a power that will continue to shape the universe's story in ways we can scarcely imagine. The cosmos invites us to dream big, to think beyond the confines of our planet, and to embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. It challenges us to act not just as explorers, but as creators, shaping a future where humanity thrives as a cosmic species. This future is one of collaboration, where the shared vision of a united humanity drives us to reach new heights and discover new worlds. And so, the journey continues. The stars call to us, not just as distant lights, but as symbols of what we can achieve when we work together, dream boldly, and act with purpose. The story of the universe is our story, a story of discovery, connection, and boundless potential. As long as there are questions to ask, mysteries to explore, and dreams to chase, the tale will go on. It will live in the light of stars yet to be seen, in the whispers of galaxies yet to be mapped, and in the hearts of those who dare to wonder. For in the infinite expanse of the cosmos, we find not only our place but our purpose, and in the act of reaching for the stars, we discover the extraordinary essence of what it means to be alive. As we press forward into the unknown, we are reminded that the essence of being alive is not just to exist, but to grow, to create, and to seek connections that transcend the boundaries of space and time. The universe, vast and unyielding, offers us both challenges and opportunities that shape not only our understanding of the cosmos, but also the fabric of our collective identity. Each new step humanity takes is a bridge to a deeper relationship with the cosmos. Our early forays into space, the landing on the moon, the exploration of Mars, the mapping of distant exoplanets, are just the opening notes of a symphony that will one day include interstellar journeys, the colonization of distant worlds, and perhaps even the engineering of entirely new cosmic phenomena. These achievements reflect the indomitable spirit of discovery that has driven us from our first steps on Earth to the precipice of the infinite. Yet this journey is not simply about moving outward. It is also about looking inward. The stars that beckon us to explore also remind us of our interconnectedness. The atoms that compose our bodies were born in ancient supernovae, and the photons that illuminate our nights have traveled unimaginable distances to meet our eyes. This unity with the cosmos is not just scientific, it is spiritual, a reminder that our lives are woven into a much larger story. This larger story demands that we approach the universe with both ambition and care. The more we learn about the cosmos, the more we realize its delicate balance. The ecosystems of Earth, the cycles of stellar evolution, and the intricate dynamics of galaxies all underscore the interconnectedness of existence. As we expand our reach, we must ensure that our actions enhance rather than disrupt the cosmic harmony we are a part of. One of the most profound aspects of our exploration is the potential to redefine our understanding of life. The search for extraterrestrial organisms, whether in the icy oceans of Europa or in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, is not just a quest for answers. It is a reflection of our deepest questions about identity and purpose. If we discover life elsewhere, it would forever alter our understanding of the universe as a cradle for consciousness. If we do not, it underscores the extraordinary nature of our existence and the responsibility we bear to preserve and expand it. This responsibility extends beyond science. The technological and philosophical breakthroughs required for interstellar travel are also opportunities to transform how we live on Earth. The innovations that allow us to thrive in space, sustainable energy, closed-loop ecosystems, advanced materials, can address the challenges we face here at home. In this way, the exploration of the cosmos becomes a pathway to improving life on Earth, uniting the fates of our planet and the stars. As humanity becomes a spacefaring species, we will inevitably face questions of ethics and values. How do we engage with the environments we encounter? What rights do we extend to other forms of life, whether microbial or intelligent? How do we balance the drive to explore with the need to preserve? These questions are not obstacles. They are opportunities to cultivate a deeper sense of responsibility and purpose as we chart our course through the universe. The answers to these questions will not come all at once, but the process of seeking them will shape the future of humanity. It will inspire collaboration across cultures, disciplines, and generations, uniting us in a shared mission that transcends the divisions of the past. The stars do not belong to any one nation or group. They are a shared inheritance, a common frontier that invites us to work together in pursuit of the extraordinary. As we venture further, the possibilities are as limitless as the cosmos itself. We may one day establish thriving civilizations among the stars, create technologies that allow us to manipulate the fabric of space-time, or even unlock the secrets of immortality. These visions, though speculative, remind us of the boundless potential of human creativity and the power of imagination to shape reality. Yet, even as we dream of the distant future, the present holds its own wonders. The universe, in all its complexity, is alive with motion, energy, and transformation. Every star we observe, every galaxy we map, every black hole we study is a reminder of the beauty and mystery that surround us. By cherishing the present while striving for the future, we honor the full spectrum of existence. In this way, the story of the universe is a celebration of both the finite and the infinite. It is a tale of beginnings and endings, of cycles that mirror the ebb and flow of life itself. And in this story, humanity has a unique and vital role, not as masters of the cosmos, but as participants in its eternal unfolding. As long as there are questions to ask, mysteries to explore, and dreams to pursue, the journey will continue. The light of distant stars will guide us, the echoes of ancient galaxies will inspire us, and the infinite possibilities of existence will propel us forward. Together, we will write the next chapters of the universe's extraordinary story, a story of wonder, connection, and transformation. For in the act of seeking, we become more than explorers. We become creators of meaning, architects of possibility, and stewards of the infinite. And as we reach for the stars, we discover not only the universe, but the extraordinary essence of what it means to be alive, dreamers, doers, and visionaries in an endless cosmic dance. The endless cosmic dance invites us to reflect on the rhythms of existence, cycles of creation and transformation that shape not only the universe but also our understanding of it. Every moment of exploration, every leap of imagination, is a step in this dance, a movement that carries humanity forward into realms of possibility we are only beginning to grasp. As we reach for the stars, we are not just uncovering the secrets of the cosmos, we are also uncovering truths about ourselves. The drive to explore reflects our innate curiosity, our need to connect with something greater than ourselves. It speaks to a fundamental aspect of human nature, the desire to understand where we come from, where we are, and where we might go. This desire has propelled us from looking up at the sky in wonder to building spacecraft that traverse the void, each milestone a testament to our capacity to dream and achieve. In this pursuit, we are not alone. The cosmos, vast and intricate, is a partner in our journey, offering mysteries that challenge us and wonders that inspire us. The stars we study and the planets we seek to visit are not just objects of interest. They are reminders of the interconnectedness of all things. The atoms in our bodies were forged in stellar furnaces, and the light we see from distant galaxies is a message from a time long past. In these connections, we find a profound sense of belonging, a realization that we are not separate from the universe, but a living, breathing expression of it. This realization carries with it both a privilege and a responsibility. As beings capable of contemplating the cosmos, we have the unique opportunity to shape its future. This is not about control or dominance. It is about participation, acting as stewards of the cosmic narrative, adding our voices to the symphony of existence. Whether through science, art, or philosophy, humanity has the power to leave a legacy that reflects our highest aspirations. One of the most exciting aspects of this legacy is the potential to create new worlds, literally and metaphorically. As we develop the technologies to terraform planets, build habitats in space, and explore the edges of the universe, we are also creating new ways of thinking, living, and connecting. These endeavors are not just about survival. They are about flourishing, about embracing the full spectrum of human potential in environments that challenge and inspire us. Imagine a future where humanity thrives not just on Earth, but among the stars. Picture cities on Mars, research stations on Europa, and generations of explorers traveling to distant star systems. In this future, the boundaries of what it means to be human are expanded, encompassing not just life on one planet, but a presence that spans the cosmos. This vision is not just a dream. It is a direction, a goal that drives our actions and fuels our imagination. Yet, as we move forward, we must also remember the lessons of the past. The Earth, our home and cradle, has taught us the importance of balance, sustainability, and respect for the environments we inhabit. These lessons will guide us as we venture into the cosmos, reminding us that exploration is not just about discovery, but about stewardship, caring for the places we visit, and ensuring that our actions contribute to the greater good. The journey into space also deepens our understanding of time. The universe operates on scales that dwarf human lifetimes, with processes that unfold over billions of years. This perspective challenges us to think not just about immediate goals, but about the long arc of history and the legacies we leave for future generations. By acting with foresight and vision, we ensure that our journey is not just a fleeting moment, but a foundation for enduring growth and connection. As we ponder the long-term future, we are drawn to the ultimate questions. What is the universe's fate? Will it expand forever, grow cold and dark, or collapse into a fiery rebirth? These questions are not just scientific. They are existential, forcing us to consider the meaning of endings and the potential for new beginnings. They remind us that the universe, like life itself, is a story of transformation, a story that invites us to participate, to contribute, and to imagine what might come next. And so, the journey continues. The universe calls to us, not just as a place to explore, but as a partner in a shared adventure of discovery and creation. Each star we study, each world we visit, and each question we ask brings us closer to understanding the infinite. And in that understanding, we find ourselves. Let us move forward with wonder, courage, and hope. Let us embrace the unknown with open hearts and minds, knowing that the journey is as important as the destination. Let us celebrate the connections that unite us, the dreams that inspire us, and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. For the story of the cosmos is far from over. It is a story of light and darkness, of beginnings and endings, of curiosity and creation. It is a story that we are privileged to write, one chapter, one discovery, one dream at a time. And as long as there are stars to guide us and hearts to dream, the tale will go on, a celebration of life, of possibility, and of the extraordinary gift of being alive in a universe that invites us to reach for the infinite. The tale of reaching for the infinite is a testament to humanity's unyielding spirit, a reminder that no matter how vast the universe may seem, it is also within us. The light of distant galaxies, the pull of unseen forces like dark matter, and the mysteries of quantum mechanics all speak to a profound truth. The universe is as much about discovery as it is about connection. Every act of exploration is a bridge between the known and the unknown, a step toward unraveling the secrets of existence while deepening our relationship with the cosmos. As we look to the stars, we find not just answers but new questions, questions that challenge our understanding of reality, our purpose, and our potential. One of the most profound frontiers of this journey lies in the search for other forms of life. The prospect of discovering microbial organisms beneath the icy crust of Europa or detecting biosignatures in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets is tantalizing. Such discoveries would not only confirm that life can emerge in diverse conditions, but also underscore the universality of the processes that gave rise to us. They would expand our understanding of biology, evolution, and the adaptability of life, providing insights into our origins and future. Even more transformative would be the discovery of intelligent life. What forms might such intelligence take? How might it communicate, think, or perceive the universe? The answers to these questions could redefine our understanding of consciousness, technology, and the nature of civilization itself. And even if such life proves elusive, the search is a profound exercise in humility and imagination, forcing us to consider the extraordinary uniqueness of our own existence. Yet, the journey into the cosmos is not solely about seeking others. It is also about transforming ourselves. The challenges of space exploration, from building sustainable habitats on Mars to developing propulsion systems capable of interstellar travel, demand that we rethink the limits of human ingenuity. These challenges are not roadblocks. They are catalysts for innovation, collaboration, and growth. As we develop technologies to reach distant stars, we also create solutions that address pressing issues on Earth. The closed-loop systems required for long-term space missions inspire breakthroughs in resource efficiency, water purification, and renewable energy. The miniaturization of instruments for space exploration drives advancements in medical devices, communication systems, and robotics. In this way, the journey outward is also a journey inward, improving life here even as we prepare to expand beyond our home planet. This duality, of looking outward while reflecting inward, speaks to the essence of what it means to explore. It reminds us that the universe is not just a collection of distant stars and galaxies, but a mirror that reflects our deepest aspirations. In the cosmos, we see a canvas of infinite possibilities, a realm where the boundaries of time, space, and imagination dissolve. To embrace this canvas, we must cultivate a mindset that values curiosity, creativity, and connection. Curiosity drives us to ask questions about the origins of the universe, the nature of time, and the potential for multiverses. Creativity empowers us to envision solutions to the challenges of space travel, from navigating gravitational forces to creating artificial ecosystems. Connection grounds us, reminding us that our journey is not solitary but shared, both among ourselves and with the cosmos. As humanity becomes a spacefaring species, we will also need to grapple with profound philosophical and ethical questions. How do we preserve the pristine environments of other worlds while exploring their potential? What principles guide our interactions with hypothetical extraterrestrial civilizations? How do we balance the drive for expansion with the responsibility to ensure sustainability and equity? These questions will shape not only the future of space exploration, but also the evolution of humanity as a whole. The answers will not come easily, but the act of asking them is transformative in itself. It reminds us that exploration is not just about the destinations we reach, but about the values we uphold along the way. It is about ensuring that our presence in the cosmos reflects the best of who we are, our ingenuity, our compassion, and our commitment to fostering life and knowledge wherever we go. As we look to the future, we are filled with both wonder and determination. The universe, in all its vastness and complexity, beckons us forward, inviting us to dream of futures where the stars are not just distant lights, but places we call home. It challenges us to think beyond the constraints of the present, to imagine civilizations that thrive among the stars, and to embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. This journey is not just about science or technology, it is about the human spirit. It is about the courage to venture into the unknown, the resilience to face challenges, and the creativity to build a future worthy of the cosmos's grandeur. It is a journey that unites us across generations, cultures, and disciplines, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge and connection is a shared endeavor. And so, the tale continues. The universe, with all its mysteries and wonders, invites us to write the next chapters of its story. It calls us to explore, to create, and to dream, to add our voices to the cosmic symphony and to leave a legacy that endures. For as long as there are stars to guide us, questions to inspire us, and dreams to propel us forward, the story of the cosmos will go on. It will live in the light of distant galaxies, the whispers of particles at the edge of time, and the hearts of those who dare to imagine the infinite. And in that imagining, we find not only the universe but ourselves, builders of worlds, seekers of truth, and stewards of the extraordinary. As builders of worlds and stewards of the extraordinary, humanity stands at a crossroads where science, philosophy, and imagination converge. The cosmos offers us endless possibilities, new worlds to explore, new phenomena to understand, and new stories to tell. Our journey is a testament to the idea that exploration is not just about expanding outward, but also about deepening inward, uncovering the essence of who we are and what we aspire to become. The act of exploring the universe is a bridge between our origins and our future. It is a continuation of the journey that began when the first humans looked to the sky and saw patterns in the stars, weaving myths and meaning into the heavens. Those early stargazers may not have understood the physics of celestial bodies, but they grasped something profound. The universe inspires us to seek, to wonder, and to create. Today, we have tools and knowledge that our ancestors could only dream of. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope allow us to peer into the distant past, observing galaxies as they were billions of years ago. Spacecraft venture to the far reaches of our solar system, capturing images of moons and planets that were once hidden in the shadows. Particle accelerators probe the fundamental building blocks of matter, revealing the intricate interplay of forces that govern the universe. Each discovery builds on centuries of inquiry, pushing us closer to understanding the fabric of reality. But the journey is far from over. For every mystery we unravel, new questions arise. What is the true nature of dark matter and dark energy? How do black holes warp the fabric of space-time? Are there dimensions beyond the three spatial and one temporal dimension we perceive? And perhaps most tantalizingly, what lies beyond the observable universe? These questions remind us that the cosmos is an ever-expanding frontier, a realm where the boundaries of knowledge are constantly shifting. As we push those boundaries, the human spirit of creativity becomes our greatest asset. Science and art, logic and imagination, reason and wonder, all are necessary to navigate the uncharted territories of the cosmos. It is through this fusion of disciplines that we dream of possibilities beyond the constraints of the present. Propulsion systems that transcend the speed of light, self-sustaining ecosystems that thrive on distant planets, and technologies that allow us to communicate across galaxies. Yet, this journey is not just about technological achievement. It is about the values we carry with us. The exploration of space is a chance to reflect on what it means to be human and how we wish to shape our legacy. Will we bring with us the lessons of unity and stewardship, or will we repeat the mistakes of the past? The decisions we make now about sustainability, ethics, and collaboration will determine the kind of explorers, creators, and stewards we become. One of the most profound aspects of space exploration is its ability to unite humanity. The view of Earth from space, a fragile blue marble suspended in the void, has inspired generations to see our planet as a shared home. This perspective reminds us that our differences are small compared to the vastness of the cosmos. It challenges us to work together, to pool our knowledge and resources, and to build a future that reflects our shared aspirations. As we look outward, we are also reminded of the importance of nurturing our own world. Earth is the cradle of life, a place of breathtaking beauty and delicate balance. The lessons we learn from studying other planets about climate, ecosystems, and resilience can inform our efforts to protect and sustain our home. In this way, the exploration of space becomes a mirror for the exploration of ourselves, illuminating our strengths, vulnerabilities, and potential. The stars, though distant, call to us with a promise of infinite possibilities. They invite us to imagine futures where humanity thrives as a cosmic species, interconnected across worlds, yet united by a common purpose. These futures are not fantasies. They are goals that guide our actions, inspiring us to overcome challenges and embrace the unknown. And as we journey toward those futures, we must remember that the act of exploration is itself an expression of hope. It is a declaration that the universe is worth knowing, that life is worth expanding, and that the possibilities of existence are worth pursuing. It is a statement of faith in the power of curiosity, creativity, and connection to transcend boundaries and build something extraordinary. The universe's story is one of transformation, of stars and galaxies, of life and consciousness, of beginnings and endings that give rise to new beginnings. In this story, humanity plays a vital role, not as masters of the cosmos, but as participants in its eternal unfolding. Every step we take, every question we ask, and every dream we chase adds a new chapter to this tale. So let us continue to dream, to explore, and to create. Let us carry with us the wonder of the night sky, the courage to face the unknown, and the wisdom to act with care and foresight. Let us celebrate the connections that unite us, the discoveries that inspire us, and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. For the story of the cosmos is not just a story of stars and galaxies. It is a story of us. It is a story of life's ability to question, to adapt, and to reach for the infinite. And as long as there are minds to wonder and hearts to dream, the tale will go on, a celebration of existence, a testament to human potential, and a reminder that in the vastness of the universe, we find not only our place, but our purpose. Our purpose in the universe is not a fixed destination. It is a journey, an evolving interplay of discovery, creation, and reflection. Each step we take, every challenge we face, and all the dreams we pursue enrich the grand narrative of existence. The cosmos, with its unfathomable vastness and endless mysteries, invites us not only to explore its outer reaches, but also to probe the depths of our own potential. This invitation is a call to action, a challenge to imagine futures that transcend the boundaries of our current knowledge and capabilities. The technologies we develop, the societies we build, and the legacies we leave will shape the universe's story in profound ways. As we craft this future, we must ask ourselves, what kind of participants do we want to be in this grand cosmic tale? The first step in answering that question is recognizing the transformative power of exploration. To explore is to embrace the unknown, to step beyond the familiar, and confront the mysteries of existence. It is a process that demands courage and creativity, resilience and collaboration. Whether we are charting the icy plains of Europa, decoding the faint signals of distant stars, or envisioning colonies on Mars, every act of exploration deepens our understanding of the universe and of ourselves. This understanding extends to the relationships we cultivate along the way. The exploration of space is not a solitary endeavor. It is a collective enterprise that unites humanity across cultures, disciplines, and generations. The challenges we face, be they technical, ethical, or philosophical, require collaboration on an unprecedented scale. By working together, we pool our knowledge, amplify our strengths, and build a future that reflects the best of what humanity has to offer. The future we envision is not just one of survival, but of flourishing. To flourish in the cosmos is to thrive not only physically, but intellectually and spiritually. It is to create worlds that reflect our ingenuity and resilience, to cultivate environments where life can adapt and grow, and to foster connections that transcend the distances between stars. This flourishing is not limited to humanity. It extends to all forms of life, to the ecosystems we sustain, and to the worlds we encounter. As we craft this future, we must also approach the universe with humility. The cosmos operates on scales of time and space that dwarf human comprehension. Its processes are intricate and interconnected, from the birth of stars to the dynamics of galaxies. This complexity is a source of wonder, a reminder that our understanding of the universe is always partial, always evolving. By embracing humility, we open ourselves to the possibility of discovery, to seeing the cosmos not just as it is, but as it might be. One of the most profound aspects of this journey is the way it reshapes our perspective. The universe invites us to think on scales that transcend the individual, the immediate, and even the planetary. It challenges us to consider the long-term trajectory of life and intelligence, to imagine futures that stretch across millennia and beyond. This shift in perspective is not just an intellectual exercise. It is a moral imperative. It calls us to act with foresight, to prioritize sustainability, and to recognize our role as stewards of the cosmic legacy. This legacy is not confined to the physical artifacts we leave behind. It is also embedded in the questions we ask, the connections we foster, and the meaning we create. Every discovery we make, whether it is the identification of a habitable exoplanet, the decoding of a cosmic signal, or the construction of a spacefaring civilization, adds a new chapter to the story of the universe. These chapters are not just records of achievement. They are expressions of our shared humanity, reflections of our ability to dream, to explore, and to create. As we look to the future, the possibilities are as limitless as the cosmos itself. We may one day build cities that orbit distant stars, create technologies that harness the energy of entire galaxies, or even unlock the mysteries of existence at its most fundamental level. These visions, while ambitious, are rooted in the same spirit of curiosity and ingenuity that has propelled humanity from the caves of our ancestors to the brink of interstellar exploration. Yet, even as we dream of the stars, the present holds its own wonders. The Earth, our cradle, is a testament to the resilience and creativity of life. Its ecosystems, climates, and landscapes are reminders of the interconnectedness of all things, a microcosm of the universe itself. By caring for our planet, we honor the cosmic processes that made life possible and prepare ourselves for the challenges of exploring and inhabiting other worlds. The journey into the cosmos is, in many ways, a reflection of the journey within. The questions we ask about the universe, about its origins, its structure, and its destiny, are also questions about ourselves. Who are we in the context of this vast expanse? What do we value, and how do we express those values in our actions? What kind of legacy do we hope to leave for those who come after us? In the end, the story of the cosmos is a story of connection. It is about the relationships between stars and planets, between matter and energy, and between life and the universe itself. It is a story that invites us to see ourselves not as isolated beings, but as participants in a grand and ever-evolving narrative. And so, the journey continues. The stars call to us, the mysteries beckon, and the infinite possibilities of existence await. As long as there are minds to wonder, hearts to dream, and hands to build, the story of the universe will endure. A celebration of life, a testament to human potential, and a reminder that in reaching for the infinite, we discover the extraordinary essence of what it means to be alive. The extraordinary essence of being alive is magnified when we view ourselves as part of a greater cosmic tapestry, a tapestry woven with threads of light, matter, and time. The universe, vast and intricate, is not just a backdrop for our existence. It is a stage on which we play a vital role. Each discovery we make, each step we take into the unknown, is an affirmation of our place in this grand narrative. The journey into the cosmos is not merely a physical endeavor. It is a deeply philosophical one. It compels us to ask questions that have no easy answers. What is the purpose of life in such a vast universe? Are we a fleeting anomaly, or are we part of a larger design? How does the universe change simply by being observed? And how does it, in turn, shape the observers? These questions are the foundation of our exploration, driving us to look beyond the stars and into the heart of existence itself. Our current exploration is only the beginning. The technologies we develop to study the cosmos, powerful telescopes, interplanetary spacecraft, and quantum computers, are tools that extend our senses and our minds. They allow us to probe the origins of the universe, to map the distant reaches of space, and to decode the fundamental building blocks of reality. But these tools also remind us that there is always more to learn, more to discover. The cosmos is infinite in its possibilities, and so too is our capacity to understand and adapt. One of the most profound frontiers lies in the search for extraterrestrial life. The discovery of microbial life on another world, or the detection of technosignatures from an advanced civilization, would forever alter our understanding of our place in the universe. It would confirm that life is not confined to Earth, but is a fundamental aspect of the cosmos itself, a testament to its capacity for creation and diversity. Such a discovery would also challenge us to rethink our definitions of intelligence, communication, and even consciousness, expanding our view of what it means to be alive. Yet, even as we seek others in the universe, we must also reflect on our role as its stewards. The responsibility of exploration is immense. Every world we visit, every ecosystem we encounter, is a part of the cosmic web, interconnected and unique. As we expand our reach, we must ensure that our actions respect the environments we explore and preserve the delicate balance that makes them extraordinary. This ethic of care is not just about avoiding harm. It is about actively contributing to the cosmos's beauty and complexity. Our role as stewards extends to the legacy we leave behind. Humanity's journey into space is not just for ourselves. It is for future generations, for those who will one day look back on this era as the beginning of a cosmic age. The knowledge we gather, the technologies we build, and the values we uphold will shape the trajectory of civilization for millennia to come. This legacy is a gift, a bridge between the present and the infinite futures that await. As we dream of these futures, we are reminded that the journey is as important as the destination. The act of exploration is a celebration of life's resilience, creativity, and curiosity. It is an affirmation that, even in the face of uncertainty, we have the capacity to grow, to connect, and to thrive. The universe, with its countless stars and boundless mysteries, invites us to embrace this journey with open hearts and minds. The stars themselves are symbols of hope and possibility. Each one represents a future waiting to be explored, a chapter of the cosmic story waiting to be written. Whether we are studying their light to understand the past or building the technologies to visit their planetary systems, the stars remind us of the infinite potential of human ingenuity. They challenge us to think beyond the confines of our planet and to imagine a future where humanity flourishes as a cosmic species. This flourishing is not just about survival. It is about creating a civilization that reflects the best of what we can be. It is about building communities that thrive in harmony with their environments, fostering cultures that value diversity and innovation, and developing technologies that expand our reach while preserving the integrity of the cosmos. This vision of the future is ambitious, but it is grounded in the same spirit of exploration and creativity that has driven humanity for millennia. As we continue to look outward, we must also remember to look inward. The universe is a mirror, reflecting back our aspirations, our questions, and our interconnectedness. It reminds us that our journey is not just about discovering the cosmos. It is about discovering ourselves, our strengths, our limitations, and our potential to grow. And so, the journey continues. The universe calls to us with its mysteries, its challenges, and its infinite possibilities. It invites us to dream of worlds yet unseen, to imagine futures yet uncharted, and to create a legacy that endures. As we step into this cosmic age, let us do so with wonder, with purpose, and with hope, knowing that the story we write is one of connection, transformation, and boundless opportunity. For in the vastness of the cosmos, we find not only the answers we seek, but the inspiration to ask even greater questions. And as we reach for the stars, we discover the extraordinary truth that the universe's greatest gift is the journey itself. A journey that celebrates life, embraces possibility, and invites us to become stewards of the infinite. As stewards of the infinite, we carry the responsibility to honor the universe's boundless potential and ensure that the story we write reflects the best of humanity's values. This journey, eternal, transformative, and profoundly inspiring, encourages us to see ourselves as both creators and participants in the cosmic narrative. It challenges us to embrace a vision of the future that transcends borders, disciplines, and generations, uniting us in a shared quest to explore the unknown and create meaning in the vastness of existence. The universe teaches us that transformation is a fundamental law of nature. Stars are born, live brilliant lives, and die in cataclysms that seed new worlds. Galaxies collide, merge, and evolve, reshaping the fabric of space-time. Even the atoms that make up our bodies are in a constant state of flux, echoing the cosmic cycles of change. In this ceaseless transformation, we find not chaos but opportunity, a reminder that every ending is a beginning, and every challenge is an invitation to innovate. This perspective is especially important as humanity prepares to expand its reach into space. Colonizing other planets, building habitats in orbit, and eventually venturing to other star systems will require not just technological advancements, but a profound reimagining of what it means to live, thrive, and coexist. These endeavors will push the boundaries of engineering, biology, and ethics, compelling us to develop solutions that harmonize with the environments we encounter while fostering resilience and adaptability. The challenges of space exploration are monumental, but they are also catalysts for growth. The need to create closed-loop life support systems, for example, drives innovations in resource efficiency and sustainability that can be applied on Earth. The quest to harness energy in space inspires breakthroughs in renewable technologies that could power entire civilizations. And the development of long-duration missions teaches us about human psychology, cooperation, and the importance of creating communities that value diversity, inclusion, and well-being. In these challenges, we also find profound questions that redefine our relationship with the cosmos. What rights do we extend to the ecosystems we encounter? How do we balance the desire to explore with the responsibility to preserve? What does it mean to be a good steward of the universe's many wonders? These questions are not just ethical dilemmas. They are opportunities to shape a future where humanity's presence in the cosmos enriches rather than diminishes its beauty and complexity. The answers to these questions lie in the values we bring with us. The universe, vast and indifferent, reflects back what we project onto it. If we approach it with curiosity and humility, we uncover its mysteries. If we act with care and foresight, we ensure that our actions leave a positive legacy. This reciprocity between humanity and the cosmos is a reminder that our journey is not just about discovery, it is about connection, This connection is at the heart of our exploration. The light of distant stars, the gravitational waves rippling through space-time, the intricate dance of particles at the quantum level. All of these phenomena are expressions of a universe that is alive with motion and meaning. By studying them, we deepen our understanding of the fundamental forces that shape existence, but we also deepen our sense of wonder and gratitude for the privilege of being part of this extraordinary story. The act of exploration is, in itself, an affirmation of life. It is a celebration of the human spirit, a declaration that we are not content to remain static, but are compelled to grow, to learn, and to create. It is a reminder that the universe, for all its vastness, is also intimate, woven into our thoughts, our dreams, and the very atoms that compose us. In exploring the cosmos, we are also exploring ourselves. This duality of the external and the internal, the infinite and the personal, defines our journey. It is what makes the act of reaching for the stars so profound. Every question we ask about the universe's origins, structure, and fate is also a question about our own identity and purpose. Every step we take into the unknown is a step toward understanding not just the cosmos, but the extraordinary potential of life and intelligence. As we move forward, the possibilities before us are as limitless as the universe itself. We may one day terraform barren worlds, unlock the secrets of faster-than-light travel, or even create new forms of life and intelligence that expand the definition of what it means to exist. These futures, though speculative, are rooted in the same spirit of ingenuity and wonder that has propelled humanity from the caves of our ancestors to the edge of space. Yet, even as we dream of these grand possibilities, we must not lose sight of the present. The Earth, our cradle and our home, remains a singular marvel, a place of intricate ecosystems, breathtaking beauty, and unparalleled diversity. Caring for this planet, learning from its lessons, and preserving its wonders are essential steps in preparing for the challenges of living beyond it. By acting as stewards of Earth, we lay the foundation for becoming stewards of the cosmos. And so, the story continues. The stars beckon us to explore, to question, and to create, while the universe itself reflects our aspirations and our potential. As long as there are hearts to dream, minds to wonder, and hands to build, the tale of the cosmos will unfold, a story of transformation, connection, and infinite possibility. Let us move forward with courage, imagination, and purpose. Let us embrace the unknown as a realm of opportunity, a canvas for creation, and a source of meaning. For in the act of exploring the universe, we discover not only its mysteries, but also our own, a journey of infinite wonder, boundless growth, and extraordinary connection to the infinite. As we continue our journey into the infinite, we are reminded that the cosmos is not just a destination. It is a reflection of humanity's enduring quest for meaning and understanding. Each star we reach, each mystery we uncover, and each new world we explore serves as a testament to our collective curiosity and the indomitable spirit that drives us to transcend the boundaries of what we know. This journey is transformative, not only for what we discover, but for what it makes of us. The challenges of exploring the universe, surviving the harsh conditions of space, developing technologies to traverse vast distances, and imagining ways to sustain life far from Earth, demand that we innovate, collaborate, and grow. These challenges, far from being insurmountable, become opportunities to unlock new levels of human potential, to test the limits of our creativity, and to forge connections that bridge divides and unite us in a shared mission. In the vast expanse of space, we are forced to confront the fragility and resilience of life. The cosmos, for all its grandeur, is a place of extremes, searing heat and freezing cold, crushing gravity and endless void. Yet, it is within this inhospitable environment that life finds its greatest expression, through its ability to adapt, to persist, and to thrive against all odds. This lesson, drawn from our exploration of Earth's most extreme environments and projected onto the possibilities of life beyond, reminds us of the extraordinary potential inherent in existence itself. One of the most profound aspects of this potential is the search for extraterrestrial life. Whether we find microbial organisms beneath the icy crust of Enceladus or signs of advanced civilizations in the distant reaches of the Milky Way, the discovery of life beyond Earth would be a turning point in our understanding of the universe. It would affirm that life is not an anomaly, but a natural consequence of the cosmos's complexity and creativity. And if such life remains elusive, the absence of evidence underscores the unique responsibility we bear as stewards of the only known cradle of life. Even as we search for life among the stars, we must recognize the ways in which exploration transforms our view of life here on Earth. The perspective gained from seeing our planet from space, a fragile oasis suspended in the void, has inspired movements for environmental protection, peace, and unity. It reminds us that, for all our differences, we share a common home and a common destiny. This perspective is not a relic of the past. It is a guiding principle for the future, urging us to act with care, foresight, and a sense of shared purpose. Our ability to shape the future is grounded in our capacity to imagine it. The universe challenges us to think beyond the immediate, to dream of possibilities that transcend the limitations of the present. Whether we envision cities on Mars, interstellar spacecraft powered by breakthroughs in physics, or entirely new forms of consciousness that emerge from the synthesis of biology and technology, these dreams are not just fantasies. They are seeds of potential, waiting to be cultivated by innovation, collaboration, and determination. The act of dreaming is itself a declaration of hope. It is a recognition that the universe, for all its vastness and uncertainty, is a place of infinite possibility. It is a statement of faith in humanity's ability to rise to the occasion, to face challenges with resilience, and to create futures that reflect our highest aspirations. This hope is not naive. It is rooted in the countless achievements that have brought us to this point, from the first tools crafted by ancient hands to the spacecraft that now carry our instruments beyond the solar system. As we move forward, let us carry this hope with us, tempered by humility and guided by a commitment to stewardship. The universe, with all its mysteries, is a shared inheritance, a realm that belongs not just to us, but to the generations that will follow. The choices we make today, the values we uphold, and the legacies we leave will shape the path of those who come after us. By acting with intention and foresight, we ensure that our presence in the cosmos is a force for creation, connection, and growth. This presence is not limited to physical exploration. It is also a matter of perspective. The stars remind us that we are part of something greater, a vast, interconnected web of existence that stretches across time and space. They challenge us to see ourselves not as isolated beings, but as participants in a story that began long before us and will continue long after. In this story, humanity is both a product of the universe and a contributor to its unfolding narrative. And so, the journey continues. The cosmos calls us to explore, to dream, and to create. It invites us to embrace its vastness not as a void, but as a canvas, a realm of endless opportunity and inspiration. As long as there are minds to wonder, hearts to dream, and hands to build, the story of the universe will endure. A celebration of life, a testament to human ingenuity, and a reminder that in reaching for the stars, we discover the extraordinary essence of what it means to be alive. Let us step forward with courage and purpose, knowing that our journey is far from over. The light of distant galaxies, the mysteries of existence, and the infinite possibilities of the cosmos await us. Together, we will write the next chapters of this extraordinary tale, a tale of connection, transformation, and boundless potential that spans the universe and echoes through eternity. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This helps my work a lot and shows me that you are interested in me continuing to produce more videos.